Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome back to another London session stream. It is Wednesday, June 17th, middle of the week. Whether you've had a rough start to the week, a red week, at least use today to refresh, refocus, lock in, and try and make some good trades for the rest of the week and end the week green. We obviously have a big day in the markets today. We have FOMC later today at 2 p.m. And so, markets could be a little boring until then, but we are not going to try to predict anything. We're just going to let the markets come to us, see what we get. Hopefully there are some banger trades in there. I hope you guys crushed it already if you have been trading. We have had some movements in the overnight session. We will get into it in a little bit. But first, good morning to those who are here nice and early. Good morning, Southern Boy. Good morning, Christy. Good morning, Story. Good morning, Trade Wise. Good morning, Realist. Good morning, Tyan Martin. Alice is here. Good morning, JS Combs. Everyone drop a good morning. I can get to all of you really quickly. Good morning, Suriluki. Suriluki, I will answer you straight away because I know you're going to ask me in a little bit what did I have for breakfast. The same old. I had yogurt and granola. Moving on. Good morning, Meow. Good morning, Andrea. Good morning, Safe and Secure. Good morning, Ikeo. And Gia's here. Jacqueline, good morning. Tush, Super Trades. Good morning. Good morning. I hope you guys all crushed it. I hope you guys are ready for a 3-hour lock-in session, of course, as usual. Let's kill it today. Let's make some money. This is NQ. This is September contracts, by the way. So if you're looking at different prices because you're not looking at the September contracts, which you all should be by now, I will just quickly do a run through of what I am looking at and what I am expecting to see potentially today, and then I will throw it to you guys. You can let me know what you're seeing. All right, so this is obviously the daily chart right now. Daily, what we've had is a daily candle open and pretty much just rocket up. We have no bottom wick on the daily candle so far. Daily open, that level is sitting at, you can see more clearly here. Oh, not even. Well, daily open is this level here at 30,306.50. And since that open, we have just pretty much longed from that get-go. If you guys were in longs, you would have caught a nice long overnight through the Asia session. But because we are seeing a daily candle with no bottom wick, I am expecting for this candle to short off and basically flip bearish and then tap into that new wick opening gap that has been left behind. So that is the potential for the play today. Obviously with FOMC decision later today, that could all change things, and technical analysis will not matter because that decision will well and truly affect the market. So just going to, for now, give you my London session bias, but of course, come New York, things could look a lot different. So given that daily has no bottom wick, aligned with that as well, we are right now trading inside of a 4-hour bearish gap. So that, of course, if you guys know me well enough, I like to play out of the 4-hour gaps a lot. Now that we have tapped into this 4-hour gap, I'm looking for price to respect and hold the midpoint of this 4-hour gap if we are to remain bearish. So I would allow price to even reach up into that midpoint at 618. Around, call it 620. If we get into 620 and then see a nice rejection off that level, I would be shorting happily out of there and targeting at least Asia low, previous day low, and then eventually that gap. That would be quite a nice move for the session today. So yeah, playing out of the 4-hour, obviously right now the current 4-hour candle has not swept to the previous 4-hour high, but it is looking like it is going to get up there. For those that are in longs, hold on. I do think it is going to reach that previous 4-hour high, but I'm hoping for the dippy after that. So the previous 4-hour high level is sitting at 30,526.50 right now. That is the level I'm watching. If we can get a sweep, I will be very much interested in shorting that into Asia low, previous day low, and beyond. That's what I'm looking at right now. No setups. We are 3 minutes into the Frankfurt Open. And so let's hope that we get the volume. Nothing happening so far. Let's hope it's a lot better than yesterday's London session. I sat around, for those that were here, I hope all of you were here, I sat around pretty much the entire London session without taking a trade until the very last, half an hour, took a trade and then took profit. So patience does pay. It was a boring session, but I did not try force anything. And so I hope there's a lesson in that for you guys as well. But sometimes you're just not going to have a setup. Like I was lucky in the end. I did end up getting a setup, but I was not trying to force anything just out of FOMO. I did almost try to take something on an eval, but in the end, I ended up taking a clean setup and it ended up winning. So there you go. Patience pays. All right. What are you guys saying now? Good morning. Good morning, Jiffy Geo says good morning, C Money. Constance says, good morning. Passed my first 50K eval yesterday after blowing 9 accounts. Let's go, Constance. We are all proud of you. Let's go. That is such an exciting feeling, passing your first eval. Now, what's an even more exciting feeling is getting to that payout. So stay focused. It is a huge achievement, but stay focused. Don't try to rush this phase now. Treat it just as you did your eval and you will get that money. Leia says, I have a Mateo next to me. He says, hello, Celine. Morning, Mateo. Hi, Mateo. Is Mateo coming to London, Leia? You should bring him and his dinosaurs. We would love to see Mateo. That would be so cute. Good morning. G4G says, long since 480, holding till the 4-hour gap, then shorts. Okay, nice. Nice. On the same page. What? Russell says, I would be very much interested in seeing Celine play the time trials 10 times per track and mimicking the world record paths on each track memorized. Wait, what? Russell, I do not understand. Oh, is this Mario Kart talk? Russell, don't worry. I've been training. I've been training for Mario Kart. Don't worry. We got another one in the chat. John Strandberg said, requested a max payout for a 50K select daily today. Well done, John. Anyone else have anything for me to shout out and call out for your great trading? Let me know. But that is another huge win for the chat. Liam Lejalia says, good morning. I'm new. Well, welcome. I've joined for the first time. I am now a trader and from Zambia. Wow, that is so cool. I love hearing where you guys are from. Zambia is like so far away from me, so that is crazy. But good morning and welcome. We hope, welcome to London session stream with Tradeify TV. We hope you like it here. Leia says, no, as if kids in London with me? No way. I'm traveling alone, kids free and wife free. Let's go. All right, that is so fair, Leia. You deserve that. You need a break. But Mateo, one day, hopefully we meet. Buckton said, I hope you trained well. I'm rooting for you. Please do not let me down again. Guys, don't worry about Mario Kart. I've got this. I told you. I've been playing since I was very, very young. So when it comes to Mario Kart and me, I will get back. I will say I've had a big break from gaming and playing Mario Kart. So let's just say last Friday I was a little bit rusty because I had to, warm up again. So we'll see. This Friday will be different. Russell says, is this Mario Kart talk? Always Mario Kart. AD Trader says, we got Congo man, we got Kenya man, Algerian man, and now Zambia man. Truly international audience. We do. We are filling up. We're putting Africa on the map. We got so many people from Africa in here. We got people from Europe. We got people from Asia, New Zealand, Australia. We people everywhere. Literally, Tradeify TV is global, and I love it. AD Trader says, Celine talks big when it comes to time to show up nothing. That is not true. That is not true. There was one of those races I came like 4th. That's a good effort for someone who's had a big break from Mario Kart. Come on, you gotta admit. Black Money asked Lenny, if I may ask, what's your Reno and what is your RR watching from New Zealand? Ah, there you go. See, told you we got New Zealand people. At the moment, it is like a 60% win rate right now. Sometimes with RR, it is a bit difficult to say because what I'm doing lately with my trading is taking partials at 1-to-1 and then letting the rest run to a higher or lower, whichever direction I'm trading, but structured low or high. So for example, like a session level or a high time frame swing point. So I am able to take more reward there in terms of risk to reward. So it is hard to measure that. I would say on average, like a 1 to 2, I would say. But I don't actually have those stats, and I should, but I don't. Trader, I've heard that I got this talk during GC and last week Mario Kart as well. Oh, well, you doubt isn't here. I will show you one day. what I mean when I say I am the goat of Mario Kart. It's coming. The day is coming. Leia says it would be fun to have a world map and check off every country that the Tradeify traders come from. Yes, that would be so cool, even to visualize it as well, because I know like when we talk about it, it's cool, but literally to like have pings all over the world to see where everyone's from is like, would be so crazy. That'd be cool. Good morning, Stephen. So chat, who is in trades? Good morning, Gary. Who was in these longs? Show yourselves. The session, oh, I'm like nasally this morning. Don't know why. The session this morning, from overnight for me, this range is 163 points. So that is to the midnight high, which is my Killzone high, my Asia high. Don't ask questions, but that is 160 points. So nothing too crazy there. But yeah, what I was saying before is I would like to see a drop back into this range that Asia did create here, because it was pretty much just a strong push up, and I would expect this to pull back at some point. Like I was saying yesterday in the London session, waiting for that draw to the downside. Yes, we were buying up pretty much all of that. Was the London session. Sorry, Tuesday, where are we? Today's Wednesday. By the way, happy White Tea Wednesday. I forgot to say that. It is Wednesday today, so you guys better be wearing your white teas. So yes, this was yesterday's market. This was the London session. We obviously kept pumping in the London session. Ended up taking shorts. The one and only trade that could have won in the London session for shorts, I was in that. Took a little 30-point scalp there, and then price kept moving up. But yes, we finally did get those shorts, and price did move to the downside. So sometimes you can be correct about direction, but just wrong on time. So that is why both are very important. You've got to time your trades, time your entry into these markets, because price did end up coming down, and it came down hard. We came very close to new week opening gap, but not just enough to get down there. So previous day low is sitting at 30,272, and that is a level I think we can break today. We will see though. All right, so for you guys, no theory perfect says long. Akira is in longs. Southern Boy, nothing for me yet. Okay, we're in the same boat. Also nothing for me yet. Have not traded the session yet. That's Jaleesa. I'm long from on MNQ from 30,479. Cool. Sad Queen says booked $218 to qualify for first payout from Tradeify. Let's go. Another win for the chat. Congrats. That is huge. Krista is in longs. Russell says, I was in that long as well, but two of my fundeds, I've made my 1,200 already, so lock those accounts. The other funded I'm long, set up break even, just hold it, already made 1,500, so whatever happens. That is a nice day to be trading, Russell, for you. So you've already maxed out your profit taking on two fundeds, and now have your third funded in a break-even position. So you're making money either way. Very nice. Mexican number says, banger tune you're listening to. This is the crazy. Everyone always says that this song is banger, but I don't think that is something we can distribute to people, but I love it too. It's a good soundtrack. Andrea says, are you actively trading NY now that you are in Europe, Celine? Yes, it is definitely a session I'm able to trade now. The only thing is, the last couple of sessions I have not loved the look of. Also, just have been so busy with other stuff outside of trading, like moving house. I was like looking at furniture yesterday. Like there is a lot to do outside of trading that I'm still working out as I've just moved countries. So it is something when I'm settled in the new place as well in the next couple of weeks, I will have a proper New York session routine, trading that back again. But right now it's sort of like I'll look a bit, I'll get back to what I was doing, I'll look again, but they haven't been as clean setups as I would have liked under the last couple of days. Me hang you just entered a long one. Cool. MG long, MNQ. Ricky says surely NQ is long today. Well, surely it is long term. long. But how can we know? We have Redford on yesterday. We're waiting for FMC to come out. That is at 2 p.m. I mean, we're obviously very close to breaking new all-time highs on NQ again, but it doesn't mean we can't see a little bit of a drop down to fill that new week opening gap before we rocket all the way to the highs. Trader Alicia, I've sent you a message on Telegram. I don't have Telegram, so good try. Silent Sulu says, let's get that London sweep and take out PDL. Yes, I would like previous day low to get taken out. That is what I'm thinking. By the way, I'm noticing I'm very blocked today. People are gonna be thinking I'm sick again. I don't know what that is. Right, no, it's well, it definitely is. It's printing pink for me. It's one straight grind to the upside right now, which is all the more reason I want to be shorting this, because when we have such strong bullish markets, what goes up must come down. And I love the fact that daily right now has no bottom wick. So I would like to see a flip at that daily open level, flip bearish, and then I'll get out of here. I will stay out of that. But until then, I very much want to see this short. Amir says, Slim, be transparent, say you hit your 2 max losses and didn't trade it in Western. Most people... No. Amir, no, that is not the case. On other days last week, that was the case. Yes, last week I let you guys know, took 2 losses in the London session and then did not trade New York. But Amir, literally, I had a good trade in the London session yesterday with you guys and then was watching New York but didn't like anything and then was very much busy. I was signing papers with agents. I was furniture shopping. I was out. I had a lot of running around to do yesterday. So I'm always transparent with you guys when it comes to trading. If I took those 2 losses in the London session yesterday, then yeah, I wouldn't have traded New York. Well, I would have probably traded on different accounts, but yeah. Can you name the indicators? There it is. Question of the day, every single day. The indicators are, well, someone from the chat can probably let this guy know, but the indicators are sessions and key levels by Script Edge. That is the basic sessions and key levels indicator that I use. It's this one right here. It's really great, really simple. And then this is the other one I use. It's just one that I had made and built for me in the way I visualize the market. It's also what's linked to this bias and high time frame sweep tracker as well. Just so I can visualize my setups a lot better. But yeah. Bashi Trace says, Selena, bias. I am right now currently biased bearish, just because I want to see the daily candle flip. Also because we are right now in this huge 4-hour bearish gap that I want to see respected, and we have only moved to the upside overnight. So I'm hoping for the pullback London session. That would be nice. Thank you, San Zulu. Thank you, thank you. Brody says, yes, dude, I was driving. I started laughing out loud. Nick was like, hell no, because I know it's not true. Wait, what was this? What happened? Did something happen in the New York stream that I missed? Guys, fill me in. Andrea says, I usually sound like that too when I sit too close to the AC for too long, so maybe that for you too. It could be. Look, it has been really hot in Greece, so yes, we have had the AC, but I don't know. Maybe it's the jet lag. Nick's gonna be so triggered by that. 3 weeks later, me still blaming my blocked nose on the jet lag. No, it is Celine's desktop. What is my desktop, Roman? What is it? Oh, chat. Roman is saying that some of you are asking to change my indicators, but it's this guy here, BG Trade. So Roman, you shouldn't be able to change the white charts to black charts. Chat, Why would I let Roman have say over my colors here? Okay. This is gray, by the way. This is a grayscale chart. Usually I have a white. This is what I've come to compromise with you guys. You're now looking at a gray background, so it's not as bright. You're never going to get dark black charts from me. That is just, I will never trade with black charts. It just gives me anxiety. Even my Tradeify has a white background. But yeah. Yes, Sahil, Messi's hat trick. I have not watched the highlights, but I mean, I heard about it. Don't worry. That is, I'm gonna have to watch the highlights straight after this. I mean, what do you expect? He's Messi. But yeah, that would have been such a good game to watch. Did any of you guys get to watch that? What time would it have been? 3-0, literally. That time for me was... I actually don't know what time that game would have been, but it was... I woke up to those results, so I think I only finished a few hours ago. Middle of the night for me. I am a soccer fan, but not that crazy. Because Roman is a boss, we know this. Mr. Mojo says, Celine, you were bearish almost all the time. Am I really? I should go back and watch my own streams to find out how many times I'm bearish biased in these markets. Well, it's just because I guess we have been so bullish lately. The way I like to trade is reversal. So when we are so bullish, of course, I'm waiting for that moment to execute in the bears to get the shorts in. But that's not always the case. Like sometimes we can just continue and a reversal trader gets chopped out of that when it just continues to pump. But yeah, most days coming into the London session, Asia has moved. Asia has made a decent up move, and I'm looking for London to retrace a bit of that, pretty much. Kip Corey Simon says, watched MasterChef Australia yesterday for the first time, was just waiting for someone to say data. No. Guys, the Australian accent isn't that strong. I'll be honest. Saying data is not, it's not that bad. There are much like thicker accents that are more triggering than the word data. I don't know why you guys get caught up on that. Mrs. Lane, didn't we have an A+ setup in New York, sweep a 4-hour, 15 and 3-minute inversion for shorts? Potentially, Amir. Like I said, I was not 100% focused on the New York session yesterday. I was very busy. So, I mean, I can go back and check. Right now, there are no setups. If you've got the time, Amir, I can have a look and see if that would have been something I would have taken. Just give me the timestamp. Andrea said, grey charts is all we can get, chat. I tried many times. That's true. Andrea, you are the reason I switched to grey. So I've made the compromise for you, but this is the most I'll go. AJ Trader, at least change that pink color candles to blue. It's disgusting to watch as a man. Well, AJ Trader, that is all the more reason to keep it. Why would I change it for you? I like pink. You know what would trigger you even more, AJ Trader? Is that my money gun is pink. Yep, check that. Not only that, but my keyboard is also pink. Not only that, my phone case is also pink. Yes. My mouse, even my mouse pad thingy is pink. Like, you have to get used to it. Girl traders are different. Pratishka says, but it's still a white shade chart, so it comes into lighting. Well, at this point, I don't care. As long as I'm comfortable in my charts, you guys, you do your own dark charts. I'll have my light charts. How about that? Darth Lennox says London is the worst session of all three. Not true. I swear, like, oh, it depends how you like to trade though. Because if you like that breakout style trading, of course, New York sometimes will just rip. And that is something that we don't really see in London. But the way I like to trade in terms of reversals, London session is very clean. And it has been this year. I would say like New York for the last couple of months has been a bit harder to read in terms of how I see reversals and that sort of thing. So for me, London session has been clean. Even Asia session. Effort pink background, said G for cheer. I should just now trigger AG Trader even more. Oh, even worse. Hold on. We're gonna make this. How about that? How about the pink charts for the for the pink obsessed trader? Pink on pink candles. Yes. Why didn't I think about this earlier? Guys, those who hate white charts, what do we think about the pink? What do we think? Carl says, I'm a man with pink on my chart. I mean, oh, wait, you guys like it? You said it, that's it. I'm changing to a Nick fan from now on. No, I'm supporting pink charts. Oh my gosh, this is so funny. Guys, what is so bad about it? G4G says, I don't care, whatever you like. Okay, thanks. But for real, kind of fine, not gonna lie. All right, that's it. What should we change the... All right, maybe I'll change the candle color then, because that is a bit extreme. What about white for bullish? No, sorry, wait. Pink background. Wait, it was pink background. But my candle body will be white. Ooh. Wait a minute. Oh, Roman could hear the dog in the background. Yes, the dog barked right on cue when I asked you guys, how would you like the pink charts? The dog next door was barking, so... Well, guys, I need to know. I've changed the candle colors. Wait, she's cooking? Yes, I think I've cooked. White bullish candles, black bearish candles, and a pink chart. We like it? We don't like it? Mo says, Celine, fun fact, in the early 1900s, pink was a boy color and blue was associated with girls. I don't believe that. Oh, yes. Andrea, you're right. Roman, let's create a poll. Pink or no pink? As in for the background. Do they want to go back to grey or we're going to stick with pink? I kind of vibe with the pink. I think that's kind of fire. AJ. AJ said, Selena, went on Spud at Miriam's New York session to tell them Selena and Nick are the best duo and Spud insta ban me. No. How long did he ban you for? That is not okay. I'd say that's discrimination. I'm going to send that to them. Love it, Celine. Black background, black candles. Black background and black candles is crazy. Yes, he's right. Pink was a boy color and blue was a girl color. Wait, I find that so hard to believe. Now I am Googling it. Pink. A complicated history of pink. That is crazy. Pink was considered to be a masculine color in old catalogs and books. Pink was a color for little boys. No. Something's telling me, no, that's not true. Like, how do we prove that? Straight away, I doubt it. All right, here we go. We have the poll in there. Guys, everyone go and vote for pink charts. Okay, 61% in here are saying no, so that's not looking good for us, Andrea. Okay, that's right. Maybe, Roman, let's do a poll with multiple options. So it's going to be pink, grey, or white. There's no black, AG Trader. There will never be black charts when it comes to me. Let's do pink, grey, or white. Damn it, I think grey's going to win. By the way, we do need a like count goal today to bring Nick on, and we have 30 minutes for that. Or we don't bring him on. And we also need a like goal for the giveaway. So I'm just checking to see what those numbers should be. I'm going to say 425 likes for the giveaway, but to bring Nick on, I'm going to say 300. We'll do 325. 325 to bring Nick on, 425 for the giveaway. And by the way, we also do have a guest joining us in 30 minutes. a guest well known to the London session here. So you guys will enjoy that as well. So make sure you get those likes up so that we can bring them on. Chart colors. All right, here. Poll is in, guys. Pink, gray, or white? Whitey. Roman wrote whitey. All right. I know what I'm voting for. Everyone put your votes in, and then we'll come to a decision. No, AG Trader, there is no black decision. Claudia is coming. No, wrong. Andrea, wrong. That is the only hint. Oh, Nick is in the chat. Of course, Nick is here and he wants to vote for dark. Nick, you can have the dark charts. I need to break it up in here a little bit because you can stick with your dark charts, but I feel like I need to have the color. So I'm... What do you think about the pink? Nick, tell me. How are you feeling about this bit? I really actually enjoy this. I think it's gonna stick. Green red candles never. Ew. Good morning, Inizio. What is this ugly ass pink chart? What the fuck? What do you mean ugly? What's with the hate? This is a very, very nice shade of pink. It's kind of got that, I don't know. It's got a really nice like shade to it. It's not too dark, it's not too bright. A little bit pastel-y. I'm vibing with the pink here. With the white and black on pink. Might as well make it rainbow colored. Wait, rainbow colored low-key would be so fire. I wish Tradeify had an option for that. Same as pink and blue. What? Pink looks cheap in this chart. Oh, cheap? That's shots fired. I don't want it to look cheap looking. All right, what are we? So far, gray is winning. All right, fine. Gray wins. I'm going back. Well, that was fun. We're going back to gray charts. That's sad. I can't believe the chat rules me like this. Wait, it was this gray. Or was it? No, it was the lighter gray. Ew, white and black candles on gray is so boring. Guys, look at this. Ugh. That looks disgusting. We need to bring back the color. Wait, let me find it. Okay. Ah, there we go. All right, normality. Nick said, I support you always, sis, but this is next level rage bait. All right, it's done. It's done, guys. No more. We don't have to look at a pink chart anymore. Look, some of the people in here said it's like you fire. So, I mean, I wasn't the only one, surely. But it's all right. That's why I did the poll. I'm very fair. I'm not a dictator, unlike some other hosts around here. I'm not the dictator. I put the vote to the chat, and then I let the chat decide. And there we have it. 46% of you said gray. 31% pink. So pink was coming in close there, and then the rest of you said white. So let's change the candle colors to green. No, thank you. Just gonna check back on the markets just to see if... Oh, has gold done anything yet? No, gold has not. Gold did sweep Asia low, but previous 4-hour low is intact. Previous day low also intact, so potentially there are a few relatively equal lows around previous day low level on gold. This would be a nice area for price to drop into and then potentially sweep, and then a buy off that level would be nice. I'm going to check on ES to see if we had SMT there. No, okay. So ES also hasn't stopped its previous 4-hour high, as well as NQ here as well. So no SMT divergence between the two. We'll just wait and see what we get. We are less than 30 minutes away now from London Open. Oh. Well, the guest has already joined us. Guest, did you want to come on early? All right, done. All right, chat. He's ready. All right. Clue has already been given. Let me bring him on. He's a very well-known guest here. It is the trader Kane. Welcome, Kane. Chat, everyone drop a good morning, Kane, in the chat. Roman, if you can bring him on.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Wait, Roman.
Nick is here, but not here, apparently.
Roman's taking me off as well, I guess.
It's okay, we'll figure it out.
Well, bear with us, chat. He's coming. There we go. All right.
Good morning, good morning.
Kane.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Not bad. Sorry, I just need to change my headset because you're getting echo like you did last time.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you fine. You'll just hear yourself if we both talk at the same time. So
no, thank you.
No, thank you. Okay, I should fix it. How are you?
I'm good. We don't have the green this time. Where's all your
sorry.
AirPods?
Sorry.
Yeah, there we go.
You ask and you shall receive. Are you in Greece now?
I am. I'm in Greece. How was your trip? You were here not long ago. Last time we spoke.
I was in and out. In on a Friday, out on a Sunday. You know. No, I was in on a Thursday. Sorry. But yeah, it was good. It was good. The weather held out. The wedding was nice. Yeah, everything was good. Yeah, I can't complain. Greek ferries are a pain in the ass. You know, the normal.
Wait, what was that? It just cut out for a bit.
Oh, I said Greek ferries are a pain in the ass.
Oh, the ferries. Yeah, depends the route, but usually they're really long and a bit.
I was like 3 hours delayed on the way out or something.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's not fun. Well, we can see your charts now, so you want to take us through what you're looking at. Are you in any trades right now?
Nah, I've literally woke up, got ready, and come on here. It's early for me.
Oh, yeah, it is 7:30.
Yeah. Not really right now, to be honest. Obviously, we had price take out that overnight high, that overnight high yesterday at the open and kind of just pull back. We're now seeing some sort of pullback up. Naturally, I would want to sell it off of some sort of all-time high sweep. We've got a pullback. I don't know. Right now, I don't know. This gap up is just really annoying for me. We got a good rotation down. I would have probably sold some reoffer for some short-term sell-off. They gap straight through it, and I'm kind of just stuck here doing nothing. So yeah, no trade to me right now. We have a pretty good high on NQ yesterday during that 6 a.m. hour. We got a nice sell-off, and then into the close it continued selling, and then overnight. To be honest, I would just like us to get online during London and just continue the sell-off and retrace practically all of this move. That would be really nice.
I want the sell-off too. I want to at least, I think, fill the gap, but obviously FOMC later today, so
yeah,
I also don't know what's going to happen there, and then that will change things as well. So we'll see.
Yeah, it's a crazy one. How have you been trading anyway? I haven't been able to catch you guys.
Trading last week had a terrible week. So last week, obviously, I moved to Greece. I wasn't trading Monday, Tuesday, and then came on stream Wednesday, Thursday, took 2 losses both days. Didn't trade the New York session both those days. Just had to take a break because I just was not in the feeling the vibes with the market, obviously. And then Friday ended up taking a nice trade. So I broke even last week. And then this week, not much. Honestly, it's Wednesday. I think it took a loss Monday, a small trade yesterday. It's just been a bit, I guess, with me as well, and moving, I am a little not so focused as I should be, with trading, as there's just so much happening, moving house, literally furniture shopping yesterday. I was running in and out with agents and doing all sorts of stuff. So I have not been in the most focused headspace, I'll be honest, but I'm looking forward to getting into my new place and then settling and then being more locked in. Yeah. And for you, trading, how's it been going?
Boring, honestly. I had a pretty good month last month and a first good week, but other than that, it's been kind of doing nothing. Obviously, yesterday I got a good sell. I sold that London high for basically into Asia low, covered basically just before the open. Didn't really do much. I caught some, really bounce yesterday on some evals. That's really it. The rest of the last week, it was kind of boring. Last week we did the same thing over and over, right? We had this alley-oop above New York Open and then sell off into the low. Just did it over and over. I just took that trade over and over. I don't trade Fridays, so just boring. So it's not nothing. It's just there's not been a really good trade. It's just been a trade that I've really had to come to the market and be like, oh, what's this? Let's figure this out. Okay, nice. It's done. There you go. The end.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, and I mean, like, even me, like, I've barely been trading New York session, so I have not. Like, I'll look at it the next morning, of course, like to see what happened in New York, but all I see is like the same repeatable thing happening over and over. And it's not like the way I like to trade. So I'm waiting. I think this is a good time right now to be a bit like hands off with the markets because I think it is a bit of a boring, confusing time. And then obviously we had that news drop, like Monday was crazy as well. So hoping for some more stability and more stable markets soon.
Yeah.
Better trading.
It's pretty horrible. What are you going to do now you're in Greece then?
So, as in, what do you mean with trading?
Yeah. Like, I know you were just like, you only traded London before because like New York was just really unsociable.
Yeah, so I can. So I am looking forward to, I'll be able to trade New York. It's like 4:30 p.m. here. So my London session is obviously the morning till about midday, and then I will come back onto the charts by like 4, be able to trade the New York session till like 11 a.m. Eastern. Usually I trade it and then I'll get off. So it's good. I'll be able to trade both. That's what I was like really looking forward to be able to like sit there and not be in the middle of the night. It's actually been weird adjusting even to the London session being like first thing in the morning because I'm just not used to that at all. Like first thing be on the charts. It's like usually I've had like a whole day. I've already like obviously been working on something or like my brain's already been active and then I come to the charts like I'm a lot more focused. But coming here, like I wake up, I pretty much shower, have breakfast. That's it. I'm at the charts. So like I don't have those few hours to like adjust to anything. So yeah, I'm adjusting to the time zone in that way, but I much prefer it just to be, trading, get it out of the way.
How's the internet in Greece?
I don't know if you're saying that as a troll, because when I got here, one of the reasons the first day I was meant to stream, I couldn't because the internet just was not connecting for me. But I got Starlink.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I'm not trolling you. Yeah,
I had to miss a whole day of streaming and then I spent the whole day running around trying to find a solution. But I've got Starlink, and Starlink is easy fix. It pretty much no issues since that day.
Yeah, I was gonna say because every time I've been to a Greek island and gone to like a bar or something, they're like, the internet sucks on basically all Greek islands. So I was like,
like even the 5G, it's really like I don't know what I'm gonna do. But while I'm at home, like. My place will have fiber, optic fiber, whatever. Like, so it'll be a much stronger connection. But like Starlink is still, I don't know. I might have to get the portable one too, just to have it in the car. It's a bit unreliable. Like, love Greece, love the water, love the beaches, love like the scenery, love the food, like love everything else. But the infrastructure,
impractical,
the systems here, I'm still getting used to. But I was happy. Like Starlink did save me there. Like, it is such a good thing.
Yeah.
That we have that. I don't know what people would have done before it, to be honest.
It's true, isn't it? It's kind of crazy.
It is a little bit. Carl from the chat is asking why you don't trade Fridays.
I just like having 3 days in the weekend. To be honest, I don't normally trade Fridays or Mondays. So like I always have like a 4-day weekend to do what I want, and then. Yeah, so it's not really like I don't trade Fridays because I think they suck. I don't trade Fridays because I really like doing nothing on Fridays and Mondays.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And it just gives me time to do the things that I need to get done, run errands and whatever,
Yes, stuff outside of trading.
Was it sad to leave Australia after seeing
it was everyone? It was. I've still got family in Melbourne, so I was saying bye to them, bye to my friends. Was sad as well, and it was a very busy last few weeks there because I was trying to squeeze in seeing everybody. I was still streaming at that point. We had Grand Cup, it was all happening. I was very busy that last couple of weeks. That's also why I failed Grand Cup as well. I'm blaming it on that. It was one of the days, one of the last days. I made it to day 3 of Grand Cup. It was a Friday. And I was out with family friends, and I'd missed the New York session, like the open, and I got home and it was probably like closer to like midday markets, like on a Friday, and the market was dead, and I could not. My opponent in Grand Cup had made up like $3,000, and I had to make like $3,000 on a Friday in the afternoon session, and nothing. It was giving me nothing, and I had to just blow it. So yeah, that was because I was just busy seeing everyone. It was sad, but I'm very excited for like your summer is here, being able to travel.
It's about to get busy, eh?
Yeah. I've already got like some things definitely locked in, and even the winter. Like I'm excited for the winters here. I said to Nick yesterday, like I want to start skiing and stuff. So yeah. What, Nick? Celine, remember what I said on 18th of May at 8:58 a.m. UK?
Where's the paddle tournament at? That's the real question. That's what the chat want to know. When is the paddle tournament?
The paddle tournament, chat knows. Paddle tournament is November, end of November. I'm going to tell you the exact date. It has been set now. Wait. It's November 26th, I think. No, November 28th. It's a Saturday. November 28th in Greece. So if you want to come, you're welcome. But we will be having the paddle in November. But I don't know what Nick's talking about. So remember what I said on 18th of May at 8:58 a.m. Nick, you're going to have to explain that one.
I have no idea, Raymond. I have no clue. I've slept since then.
Nick, that is like literally a month ago. I'll show you when I'm on. Oh no, I can't be bothered, Nick.
Is Nick coming on today?
Yeah, he's coming. He'll be here in like 15 minutes.
Oh, he's just late. We're running on.
I thought you would have been coming on with him.
No, Celine, I don't know why. I got an invite for 7:30. I was like, that's early, but I'm going to set my alarm.
Oh my God. No one expected you.
I'm here, Roman.
That's
I
funny.
wouldn't let you down.
It's like, are you telling me I could have slept?
Yeah. I was like, wow, these are getting earlier, I'm pretty sure. Maybe I just can't remember it being this early.
For real, you are. Usually I'm doing the Frankfurt Open solo for the first hour, and then usually if we have Claudia, sometimes you will come on.
Yeah, the chat was like, weird, Claudia's grown a mustache.
That's funny. Wait, so what time are you? Not normally a early riser then, but you have to be up for the London markets usually.
No, I don't normally trade London, to be honest. Like I've kind of gone off it.
Okay.
It depends. If I'm up like on calls or working on something till like 2-3 a.m. like I'll get up at maybe 7 to let the dogs out, but more often than not I don't. Yeah, and then
if you're up till 2-3 a.m. you'll be up at 7.
Just to let the dogs out, but then I'll get back to bed till like 9:30. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I was gonna say that's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, Zeus and Zella. Obviously, you're gonna have to bring them on later, unless you want to get them now. We need to see Zeus and Zella.
Yeah, they're downstairs right now.
Wait, are you watching them on a camera or something?
No, I'm reading something on my other screen.
Yes. All right. So chat, we do need to smash the like button, by the way, to bring Nick on. Let me just check what likes we're at now. I said 300 and what did I say? There is 196 likes, and I said like 320 to bring Nick on, and you've only got 10 minutes to do it. There is almost 700 of you already here, so make sure if you're just tuning in, smash the like button. It's very simple. It's a thumbs up button below the YouTube title there, and then we can bring Nick on. All right. Yeah, so no trades yet for me. I can see we did sweep previous 4-hour high. That's something I like to trade off, and then we are in a 4-hour bearish gap, so I'm now looking for a short at some point in the session.
Sell it all.
Hopefully. Hope we get this sell off. Sahil says, Kane, can you tell us what is the name of the indicator higher time frame?
Oh, this is just called TLM-HTF. If you search it on TradingView, it will appear. TLM-HTF. It's just called TLM-HTF candles by when it's lunch. That's it.
Wait, someone in the chat has given the details. It's called the Grand Paddle Battle. Nick and Nick's best friend equals chicken, 20k on the line, plus 20 lightning accounts. Celine and Claudia with 10k on the line, plus 10 lightning accounts in Greece, November 28th, mid-morning. We didn't even set a time. This guy's already set the time. That's so funny.
Oh, you got to be there early. Stretch out.
Yeah, well, apparently, like, it's pretty hot in Greece. Oh, no, November, actually. That'll be fine. Mid-morning is fine. Russell says no trades. Gold? No trades, Russell. Nothing yet. I hope it's not the same. Oh, Nick said we did set a time. Well, I don't remember this clearly. I did not agree to any time, I swear. But anyway, mid-morning works. We'll do mid-morning. That's fine. Leia's saying, Kane, are you going to the London Expo next week?
Sorry, yes, I am, Leah. I meant to respond to you. Yes, I am.
Oh my gosh, Nick, I'm not even going to respond to you. You can come on here in 10 minutes and talk your talk. I don't even care about receipts, Nick.
That is a weird question to ask, by the way.
Yeah, I get that a lot. I don't know why.
Really?
Yeah, it's kind of
weird.
weird.
People are fucking odd, man.
Yeah, people are so strange. Oh, you be like, no, there's, I don't know, this chat some days is really questionable. There's a guy in here, I think like we've banned all his alt accounts, but he's obsessed with my nose. And it's like the weirdest thing.
You're obsessed with your nose?
With my nose. There's some really strange people in here, but we usually can ban them, but then they come back with alt accounts and then, you know, they ask those weird questions again. Anyway.
Give me the ban hammer. Yeah, give Leah a mod. Suddenly we'll have 200 people in here.
I know, right?
Ban. Leah, are you going to be at the Profim Expo? Selena, are you going to be at the Profim Expo?
Celine is going to be at the Profim Expo.
Damn. What's my feelings on matcha? Matcha's okay. I'm just going to say strawberry matcha kind of goes hard.
I was having this discussion with him yesterday because I am not a matcha drinker. The reason being is because it's green and I just never understood it. Like, what is it? Like, what is making it green? And then I was of the opinion that it was coffee this whole time, and then they were telling me no, it's a tea.
Yeah, it's a tea.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm not into it. So many people have told me like it tastes like grass, and I'm like, well, yeah, it kind of looks that way. But I don't know. Everyone's like, no, you have to try it. And yeah, there's like strawberry ones. I don't know. I don't get it. I have to try it.
Yeah. There's a couple of good places in London that do good matcha. You should try it when you go.
Well, maybe I will. Maybe I should. Yeah. You know what? I'll do it. Chat, the London gang that's going to be there next week, I will bring matcha to the expo and we'll do a live taste testing. How about that? I would probably opt for the strawberry one. Yes. Taro. I'd probably go for strawberry matcha. That sounds a bit nicer. Sudup saying, Kane, could you please recap what you're seeing in the charts where you're likely to take an entry?
I would need to see. I mean, I don't think it's necessarily too bad from here. We've traded above that 4-hour high. We've got a decent 15-minute high inside of that 4-hour high with an hourly high. We've got 7 minutes left. It's just, I think, how does 3 a.m. open? That's the question for me. You know, how 3 a.m. opens and sets the tone, and then that's kind of where I'm at with it. If ES could close back inside of its range below like 607s, I'm probably more interested in shorts there and then. So
yeah, agreed. I don't ever like trading. Like sometimes I will take a trade in this first hour, but not so close to that 3 a.m. open.
Yeah, because it's just, exactly. I can remember the amount of times I'd have got into a trade and then at 3 a.m. got stopped out and then it ran in my direction. And I'm just like, yeah, fuck that. I'm just going to wait for that thing more often than not.
Yeah. Kane, do you use the 30-second often?
Yeah, I do. Yeah,
You do?
I do. Yeah, I really do.
You
In
trade
fact,
off the 30-second?
Yeah, more often than not, I'll be on the 30-second chart. Like,
That's crazy.
yeah.
I didn't think you were the scalper.
Yeah, like I was because of the higher time frame candles, I'll sit on the 30-second chart because then I can visualize everything. Like I would realistically, I'd want to see it sell down off of like this, and we're getting it right now off of like 535s. We're getting it, but realistically, time is a factor obviously, and I wouldn't want to take it because if we don't close below here by that point, then I'm kind of cooked, you know. So.
Well, yeah, I was also having this discussion with the chat the other day. Like, for me, 1 minute is enough, and dropping down any lower for me, I get lost in it.
Yeah, so I don't blame you. You know, like I don't sit here and trade the 30-second for anyone else's benefit other than mine. I'm impatient, hence why I'm a short seller. I trade reversals because I don't want to get into a move that's overextended. I'd rather take out stop outs. I'm very aware of the characteristics that make my style of trading suitable for me, but I'm also very aware that it just doesn't suit everyone.
And Kip is asking, Kane Sling, what's your number one rule, most important when it comes to trading? I guess for me, number one is always like following this plan, this risk management rules that I've put in place to make sure that I'm letting probabilities play out and not screwing with it with my emotions. That's one thing. One rule, I'd say.
Yeah, I would say this. It's not necessarily like a single rule because the amount of times I've gone, I'm only going to take 2 stop outs today and the third trade works, you know, like I don't like imposing a bunch of rules on myself in the market. I have to know, you know, I have to trust myself to walk away when it means I need to walk away. Like when I'm on tilt, I'm doing things from an emotional perspective. I'm getting into trades that aren't necessarily good trades. So I don't really like to impose too many rules on myself. The reality is I just always remember that tomorrow is a new trading day and it's my job to turn up tomorrow. And if I blow up or lose everything today, I strip future Kane of the ability to turn up, and that's an injustice there. So I just want to stay in the game. I want to, you know, keep moving forward because I know over time I'm going to make money. I might not make money today. So
facts. All right, well, we are a few minutes away from London Open here now. Just going to check on those likes, chat, because that means we should be bringing Nick on very soon. Still only 260 likes. 260 likes, and not looking good with it.
Not looking good, bruv.
No, not looking good. You watching England in the World Cup?
I would love to say yes, but I'm not. No. I'm not really a football guy.
I know, we always go through this. You're not really.
I'm just not really a football guy. Like, I'll be the glory guy. If England make it to the final, I'll be there. You know, I'll be there with my friends in the pub, but not because of England in the final, because all my friends are in the pub and I want to see my friends. This is nice. It's like, it's a good way to get all my friends together, have a good time, and have something, you know, to get behind. But I'm not watching England in the group stages. I'm just not doing it. I've got 1,000,001 better things to do than watch, you know, 22 men kick a football around a field. Sorry.
Watch the chat. They're just gonna. There's a few big football fans in here, but
no,
that's fair. Not every British guy watches football.
It is a bit of a crime, I'm sure. You know, like a lot of people say, I can't believe that. You know.
Yeah, for real. I remember the first time you said that, I was a bit shocked myself, but no, I get it. All right, well, Nick, I'm gonna see if is he here? Oh, Nick is here. All right, sorry. I don't know how long you've been waiting there. I wasn't watching. Let's check the likes, chat. Over 700 of you here now and 280 likes. It's not really good enough. I don't know, Nick. Should we just bring you on? What do you think? We just allow them today? No. All right. He said no. So, chat, we're just going to have to sit here. We're going to have to wait for another 50 likes to come through, and then Nick can come on. And I can see he's already in a trade. So I know you guys, more than anything, if you don't want to see Nick, at least you want to see his trades. So smash the like button. I can see he's definitely in a trade right now. Not going to say which direction, but he's trading. Let's get a refresh.
Oh, he's on his walking machine as well. He's walking towards us.
He's on his way. 309 likes. Look, as soon as I say Nick's trading, they want to see his trade. The likes have just like skyrocketed. All right, only 10 more likes. I'm going to get his intro ready. We'll bring him on. Where is that? 1 second. Okay. All right, I'm ready, chat. Whenever you are. Let me just quickly refresh. Yep. We did it. All right, cool. So let me introduce you to the YT wearing, hand ever moving, GP trading, biohacking, music catching, stay with ketchup abusing, sample trolling, intro creating, KFC hating, five guys loving, paddle playing, tennis playing, squash playing, water guzzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, salmon mango sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery sock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI full putting, no prep marathon running, Nick Tater, Deem Street strategy inventing, Mario Kart thrice humiliating, 91 no stop loss win rate, once baited, Deshaun, the one and only, the no stop loss butcher. Good morning, Nick.
Dang, you're getting good at this.
Damn, that was a mouthful.
That is impressive. That is
Damn.
impressive. Hey, good morning. Morning, Kane.
Good morning, Nicholas
Celine.
Wiggles.
Good
How we
morning.
doing? How we doing? Chat, you know the drill. Southern boy knows the drill. Put a big fat 1 in the chat. First of all, if you love having Kane on, put a big fat 1 in the chat. If you love the solo hour with Celine, put a big fat 1 in the chat if you're ready to make some money. Put a big fat 1 in the chat if you love putting big fat 1s in the chat. Let's get this party started. Celine.
Yes. Good morning.
Are you
All right,
Are you
what is this?
aware?
All right, let's.
Are you
get-
aware of the receipts I have with me?
What's 18th of May? What is 18th of May for real? Like, I do not know where you were going with
Okay,
that.
so Kane asked you, how did you do in the Grand Cup, right? And then you said, well, obviously you were moving from Australia to Greece, and because
Yes.
of that, you didn't do that well. Well, Roman, let's go to my screen really quick and check the stream here.
Look out. Here's my prediction. All right. If we look at, I'll tell you exactly what's going to happen with Sydney. If we look at the Grand Cup, right?
All right, go on.
Sydney's going to be joining in round 2. We look at the dates. We see 26th of May to 9th of June. What we do know for a fact that Machine Gun Kane is going to be moving from Australia to Greece in the beginning of June. And then she won't be able to trade. Her internet is going to suck. She needs to set up her apartment. Shut it. She needs to set up her apartment, everything. And guess what? She's going to get kicked out. And then guess what? She's going to be like, my internet wasn't working. I was moving from Australia to Greece. I couldn't trade. It's all because of that. If I would have had good internet, if I would have had my setup, everything would have worked. I would have won this. But I couldn't because I was moving. My prediction.
Wow, he knows you a bit too well, doesn't he?
And then listen to her.
What?
You have no idea.
Sure.
I need to hide myself now.
That's funny.
Oh
I should get a
god. Damn it.
prediction
How did
mark.
you have that receipt? Like, how did you know the timestamp?
Celine, you know I keep receipts always. And speaking of receipts, since we're at it, since you said you didn't agree to a timing, 1 second.
Yep.
What time?
Should we say like 11 a.m.?
All right. Good.
Yeah, she has everything. He has everything on you, Celine. You can't hide
Oh
anymore.
my gosh, that is so bad because even I set the time and I was like, I didn't even set the time.
You did. And I even said it's weird. Listen.
Good morning.
11
I'll be
a.m.
fresh.
Here, okay.
Okay, what time? You asked me what time. What time do you want?
I don't care. I can play. I can beat you any day. Doesn't matter.
I I hate that we have this recorded forever. Why can't we just delete the streams once they're up? Oh.
I love receipts. It's good. I wouldn't bring them up if you didn't lie about it. Just to be clear.
Whatever. It's fine.
Funny. Well, anyways, trading. Did you take a trade yet?
I haven't. Kane also hasn't. But I see you're in a trade. You want to go over it?
I'm in a trade. Yeah, I'm longing the highs of the day. Look at that. 30,533 long. Targeting 663.25, and that's pretty much it. And for those of you who say, oh my God, look, he has a stop loss. No, that's an order to buy more if we go down to 424. So that's it. Now we wait.
Nice.
So how does it work? You just never close these micro trades? You just hold them forever?
No, I do not hold them forever. I do have targets. If I'm only in one micro, I target at least 109 points. But if I'm in more, I scale them out at like 22, 44, 88 points, and then 109, of course. So, but if nothing happens, as in we do not reach target and we do not go down to 424, I'll just hold it. If we go back down to 424, I'll add to it. But since I'm only in one micro, like you can technically hold this trade the entire day and nothing is going to happen. Like if I didn't have a target, if I didn't have a stop, and I had no ad order, I could literally hold this trade the entire day, because to lose the entire drawdown, you would need to lose 2,250 points. How likely is it that we're going to see 2,250 points? Very unlikely, because the biggest day on NASDAQ so far was 1,600 something points. So it's a safe trade.
Damn.
Celine says, Chad, take notes. This is the most he's ever given us. He likes Kane more than us.
It's true. We ask all the time. Then Kane asks, and you're like, "Oh yes." I'll
Look,
take
if Kane comes on at 7:30 a.m. his time, you know, we gotta give.
Kane, for context, we've been seeing Nick trade like this for the past couple of months with no stop loss. You know, he just sort of buys in these random spots, and he's like, "Yeah, well, you know, I just want to sell the highs and buy the lows," and he gives us nothing.
Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high, and actually do it.
And then that's all we get. And I'm always like, okay, but like, where are you looking to take off? And we get nothing. And then today he's like, yeah, so if it's one micro, you know, I'll look to take off at 109 points. He's given much more framework than we've ever had the last couple of months. So anyway, we got some notes now.
Yeah, you should bring Kane more often, Celine.
Yeah, well, if I was in charge, sadly I'm not.
Yeah. Well.
Wow.
It is what it is.
Nick, are you coming to London?
No, unfortunately not, because my best friend is turning 30. Well, he did turn 30 already, but he's going to celebrate on exactly that day. And I said yes to him before I even knew the Prop Firm Expo was happening. So unfortunately not.
He turns 31 the next year. Just celebrate it then.
That's what I said.
I actually celebrated my 30th birthday on my 31st birthday.
You did?
Oh,
yeah, I was busy.
Wait, what's the backstory behind that?
I was just busy. I was just busy on my around like my 30th birthday. And I was like, I'll just celebrate it next year. And then I had like a big house party the year after.
Fair. That is fair.
Yeah.
How old are you?
I'm 32 now. I'm 33 in November.
Damn.
All right. Whoa. Chill out. Fucking hell.
I, for some reason, thought that you were 29. I don't know why, but
I feel like a baby on here. No, I'm kidding.
How old are you?
Well, you are. I mean, you're 18, so pretty crazy.
I am not.
You're like what, 20 something?
23.
That's fucking young.
Cheeseball says we got unks as hosts.
Wow, that's crazy.
Well, the only unk is Miriam. Hunky.
That's me.
You know it, Cheeseballs. Wait, Sudip says I thought Kane was like 34 or something.
Oh,
Damn.
34?
Close.
That's mean though.
But that is mean. That is mean. Once someone said I was like 42. I don't even like. Where do you pull that from?
That's just evil. Well,
Yeah,
now that
that's
we're at it, chat,
weird.
everybody drop your age in the chat. Now we want to know who's the oldest, who's the youngest. Let's
Well,
see
we
it.
know Drops Trades is going to be the oldest here.
Well, he's
Right.
our grandpa, so yes.
How old is he?
Roman
He's
just
not-
says 17.
Roman. Oh, but these aren't going to be legitimate. How are we going to?
Some are legit, some are not. Nasdaq Luke says 43. Really? 56?
Guys, the really after someone's age is not a nice thing. You know that, right? 43.
To what?
Really? It's like, man, you're that old?
Like, damn.
No, I feel like 40 is when you can start. You know, maybe 40 is old. 30 still feels young.
Okay, question.
Yeah.
Cool.
Why is it rude to ask somebody for their age? Like, it doesn't even make sense.
I don't think it is. I'm just gonna put that out there. I just
Or like, why do people perceive it as rude? Because I don't
Well-
think it is.
Because maybe you're asking because you think they look old. So it's like,
No, you could also be asking because you think they look young. You could also be asking because you just want to know and you don't give a shit about what they look
and
like.
then what if you think they look young and then they tell you like 32 and you're like shocked?
and then I'm gonna say, wow, you look fucking great for your age.
Exactly. It's all about how do you respond when they give you their age, no? The question itself is not rude. It's how you react to the answer.
Okay. All right, I can agree on that.
Hey, what was the like goal for a giveaway?
I said 425.
425. Okay, because Kane is here, we're gonna give away 2 accounts if we hit 430. How about that?
And then we're gonna do a double. when that
Double or
happens.
nothing
Damn.
on top of
A
that.
double on the double?
The double on the double. Yeah, always. Come on.
Okay, if they hit 500 likes. If they hit 500 likes by 8:30 UK time, we're gonna
Deal.
do a double on the double.
8K UK time.
That's already-
8:30.
Oh, so 18 minutes.
Yep.
Come on, chat, get the hit and the like button. I
They can
do.
do
I
it.
do the negotiating. You guys need to do the work.
Facts.
And the heart emojis are coming through. So, guys, it's a thumbs up. That's all. I'm not
Yeah,
gonna.
they're going up. They're going up. Leah says, Nick, because most women are Botoxed and they don't want to say they're 72 when they think they look 27. Well, I usually don't ask Botoxed 72-year-old women how old they are, but in general. Jonathan, where's the bot accounts? I don't know. They're here for sure. 445 likes now. They can hit it. My treadmill
Something is
exploding
young,
again.
vice versa. What? What does that mean?
No idea.
I'm not
No
the
idea.
youngest. I'm not the youngest on Tradeify TV though. I think that is Amas.
Yeah, Hamas is younger than you. Hamas is like 22, no?
Oh yeah. He's younger than me.
Yeah, but he looks like he hasn't grown yet, you know? So he actually looks 22. Sorry, Amos. Love you, brother.
Yeah, Hamas is just smogging everybody.
Yeah, true.
No, I'm not 28, Perkins.
Extraordinary Cave Trader says Nick looks old. Okay, define old. What is old?
We know how old is Nick. We're not. I'm definitely happy to admit that I'm not young.
Well, I'm still young.
Yeah, I know you are, but how old are you now?
30.
You're getting
Still
there.
young.
though.
Come on
It's like
now.
31.
You still. Okay, think about it in relation to how old you're gonna be when you die. Let's say.
Okay. Listen, I agree with you, but I'm talking about relative to the industry. We are old.
Relative to the industry. Well,
No.
are we
Yeah.
in the older section? Maybe.
Yeah. We're not. We're in the latter 50 percentile. You know.
So are you gonna hang up the boots soon? Is it almost retirement for you guys?
Yeah, I uninstalled Instagram the other day, so I'm slowly getting there. You know,
You deleted Instagram.
deleted Instagram. Don't have Instagram anymore.
That's awesome.
I log into it on the PC to do certain things, but I take it off my phone because I just doom scroll like a motherfucker on it.
Andrea says, relative to the industry, no. Relative to the internet furus, maybe. That's a good point. That's a good point.
Maybe.
Chat is asking, Kane, what's up, bro?
Not much. It's grey skies in London. It's not very nice.
Damn.
Saving all the nice weather for when you guys come over, or when Celine comes over.
Well, what's the weather? Yeah, what is the weather? Like,
I don't
do I have
actually
to
know.
bring jackets and stuff?
Do you own jackets?
Do I own a jacket? What?
Well, maybe. Oh, next week's pretty good weather. Yeah, next week's lovely weather actually.
Is it? Let me check.
It goes on Monday. It's 29 degrees, and on Friday it's 30 degrees.
Oh, perfect.
Damn.
That's
nice.
that's because I'm coming. They're like, yes, we'll bring the Greece weather.
We need the sun.
All right, cool, good. As I don't have a lot of jackets with me, I had to ship a lot of my clothes over here. A lot of it's still on the way. The industry are all 60-year-old hedge fund investors. Yeah, that's right. You guys are actually not so old when it comes to actual traders, hedge funds.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
But internet age, probably. But now, Kane, you've inspired me. Maybe I need to delete Instagram again. I was off Instagram for like 6 years. And I only got back.
If I was you, I would not do it. It's my
Don't delete it.
No, I think your Instagram is the social media that you are getting good growth on, right?
Yeah, but it's hard work. I mean, I can still post, but from the laptop. Like, I can do those kind of things, but I don't know. There's just so much on there. So much rubbish on the internet.
Oh, for sure.
Yep, that is a fact. So we got 493 likes. We still have 14 minutes to hit the last 7. That's pretty easy. 495. 5 more.
Looks like we're going to give a few accounts away today.
It does. Sure look like it. Wait, Kane, important question. Do you own a Switch and do you play Mario Kart?
I do not own a Switch, but I will be buying a Switch because I want to play the new Zelda Ocarina of Time.
Ooh, they're bringing that back.
They're bringing that back.
Like,
so
is
then
it the same game?
No, they're remaking it. It's the same game, but new graphics, obviously.
Oh, cool. Okay, I have to get that.
So then you have to join Mario Kart Fridays once you have that Switch.
For sure. I will do that.
Nice. Chat, you have a new opponent.
Yeah, listen though, I don't profess to be any good at it. So opponent is probably a stretch. I'll participate, but I'm not putting up a competition, you know?
Well, one can be a bad opponent. I just said opponent.
True.
All right. I think we got the 500 likes. Yeah, we did. Well done, chat. Well done. Thanks to Kane. Thanks to Kane. We're going to give away 2 accounts, and then we're going to spin. We're going to spin for a potential double. So we'll see.
Double or nothing, though, because in that case...
Yeah, of course. Not just double.
Whoa. Let me do the negotiating, Celine. All right? Let me do the negotiating.
All right, negotiate.
We do 5x or nothing, remember? Double seems a bit stingy to do nothing.
Oh, so like it's confirmed.
Well,
Someone's
if we do a 5x or nothing, then there's definitely going to be more nothing fields than 5x.
Of course, always, yeah. But then double, it seems like there can't be a nothing. Maybe there could be like a 1-0, but not like a decent nothing chance.
Okay.
How about this?
1 in 3.
If the person who wins chooses a double or nothing, they get 1-0 field, 1 double field. If they choose a triple or nothing, they get 1 triple, 2 nothings. If they choose 4, they get 1 4 or 3 nothings. And if they choose 5, they get the 5 and 4 nothings.
I think that's a good deal personally.
And they can decide what they want. They can go for the double with a 50-50 chance. They can go for a triple with a 33% chance, and so on.
Mo said Kane is a man of the people.
He truly is. He truly is. All right. Rules for the giveaway, chat. If you want to participate in this potential 5x double giveaway, then all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form in the chat, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, what shape or form I'm in, or any sorts of questions alongside that, you will get disqualified as well. And if you now, after I explained how to join this giveaway, ask me at any time throughout this stream how to join a giveaway, I will super disqualify you. So don't. Here's the link. Good luck, everybody else. Let's see. If somebody wins a double, if somebody wins a 5x today, Celine, we have some explaining to do.
Oh, did you hear me talk once in that bit? I was not part of that.
That's true. I can't even pull a receipt.
Nope.
Fuck.
I stayed
Hey,
quiet.
blame me.
Kane said he was doing the negotiating and I stepped out.
Send Vinny and Brett my way.
All right, chat. If you never see Kane again on stream after, then you know why.
I'll deal with it, chat. I'll take the lash back.
Sarah says, Francisco, ask your question. Don't be shy. So there's a guy who allegedly is from the Congo, Democratic Republic of Congo. And every single time we post a form, he says, where's the form? Every single time.
Wait, Kane, but this same guy has called the market a few times. Like,
Well, not just a few times. Literally every single time he called something, it happened in the last months.
Where's NQ going right now?
Well, he's apparently not here because he's not asking where's the form.
Which on days he's not here, usually like the market's really terrible, and then he'll come back and he'll be like, okay, so at this time the market's going to drop, we're going to see it drop to these levels. Like, he gives the prices and everything. It's crazy.
It is crazy.
He called the massive dump that Friday, and then also on the following, when was it, Tuesday?
Tuesday, yeah.
It's crazy.
Indeed.
I don't know what they're doing in Congo, but
Okay, so for they have some voodoo magic or something. So for the giveaway, we're gonna pick two separate winners, and so after we've picked the first winner and they respond in the chat, we give them the option to do a double, triple, quadruple, or quintuple, or nothing. And then we pick the second winner and do the same thing. So I'll give you 37 more seconds to fill out the form. Let's see. Are you guys seeing anything for your setups on the charts?
I've noticed ES did sweep that previous 15-minute high and NQ didn't, so now there is an SMT at that high, but I'm not believing this just yet.
I want to sell 564s, to be honest, but
564s.
9 points higher right now, but we'll see. It's a very riskier style of trade.
Damn, Kane coming on TTB and fading me. That's crazy.
You're cooked now, Nick.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Well, no, we can both make money. Remember yesterday, Celine? I was in the long. You faded me, took the short. You hit TP, and then it went up to my TP. We all made money. You can take a trade within my trade.
That is true.
No problem. No problem. All right, let's pick the first winner here and see who gets some goodies. First, I gotta check if the stupid guy is here or not. Filled out that form. No, he's not. Good. There's always some random guy, Kane, who just puts things as his username in the form that
not very nice.
Definitely nobody should ever put in there. All right. Let's see. Let's go to the good old trusted wheel of names.
By the way, we're over 1,000 viewers right now. It's probably
again. This is a daily thing now. Yep. Shout out to the chat.
So what accounts are we giving away?
Well, we find that out. Oh, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna pick a winner, We let them do a double, triple, quadruple, or quintuple. And then, only then, they find out what it is for.
This is high tension stuff.
Yeah, it is. All right. Spinning for the first winner of the day.
Trade again. No,
First winner of the day is Fabs Trades Futures. Fabs Trades Futures, say something in the chat. And then also, let me know, do you want to do a double, triple, quadruple, or quintuple? Or do you not want to spin the wheel?
He said yes.
So funny, somebody wins and they just say yes.
Yes.
The emotions are high. Okay, so Fabs Trades Futures. Do you want to do a 0 or 2? Or do you want to do a 0, 0, and 3? Or do you want to do a 0, 0, 0, and 4? Or do you want to do a 0, 0, 0, 0, and 5? What do you want to do? You decide.
What was
What
the
would you
first
do?
option? 0 and 2.
First is 0 and 2. He says, I'm not going to lie, I don't really understand what I'm risking. Okay, so you are going to get an account. You don't know which one yet. That will be decided once you spin the second wheel. You can either right now say, I don't want to spin a second wheel, I just want to know which account I won, and then you get one account. Or you can say, you risk it, and you go for a double or nothing, meaning there is a 0 field and a 2 field. If it lands on 2, you get 2 accounts. If it lands on 0, you lose the account that you just won. If you want to say you want to do a triple or nothing, then there are 2 0 fields. If you want to say you want to do a 4 or nothing, then there are 3 0 fields, and on the 5, there are 4.
I think, not to influence you, I think 3 is the play.
You think 3 is the play?
I was just going to go with the 0 and 2. I don't know.
Let's see what he says.
But remember, if it lands on nothing, you get nothing. That's it. If it lands on
true.
0, you get nothing.
But you don't know yet what it is. It could be 150k lightning funded, but it could also be a 25k growth account.
He said, let's go with Kane, 3.
Oh.
The pressure is real. Now I feel so bad if you hit 0.
Okay.
You're gonna live with yourself. All right, here we go.
Perhaps. Oh, this is tight. Okay, you know what?
Oh my god.
We're gonna do this.
It was so close as well.
We're gonna do this. We're gonna give him a chance to still win it. Still win the one.
Today's not your day, mate. I'm sorry. Just pack it up. Go home. Don't even step on the chart today, Fabs. It's not on your side.
Oh man. Well,
Damn.
we promised to give at least 2 accounts away. So we're just gonna pick a new winner now. That's how we're gonna run this.
Oh my gosh.
All right.
I feel so bad for you.
Well, I'm sorry, Fabs.
Let's pick the first winner again then, because Fabs ain't it. Oh wait, I'm on the wrong wheel. Well, anyways, now it's the soccer ball wheel.
Oh, you got 2 devices. So unlucky.
Next potential winner is Trading Game or Trading Amy. I don't know.
We're trading
something
Amy.
in the chat.
Looks like it's Trading Amy, yeah.
Trading Amy.
Trading Emmy.
Tradingam. Says here.
How do you pronounce it? Is it Amy?
Says here. Okay, so Trading Amy. Now, do you want to do a 0 or 2? Do you want to do a 0, 0, 3? Do you want to do a 0, 0, 0, 4 or a 0, 0, 0, 0, 5? Or do you want to walk away with just 1 account? You can do that too. It says 2. Okay, 0, 2. Spinning right now.
I like it. I think this is gonna be good.
Yeah, this is looking good.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
no.
Good.
Oh no.
Yeah!
Oh!
There we go. Trading Amy gets 2
That's so
accounts.
close.
Now we're gonna find out what sort of accounts she's gonna get.
Nice. 150k
Okay.
lightnings coming right up.
Boom.
Let's go.
So 2 accounts, and the accounts are going to be... Ooh,
Select 100K.
this is good. This is good.
Oh, 150.
100K. 200K select accounts.
Nice.
2 100K select accounts. So Trading Amy, all you're going to do now... It's funny. It's not Trading Amy. I just went to the channel, and it's the Trading Game.
The trading.
It's weird, but...
Got
So
it.
Trading Game, all you got to do now is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is the email address that you use to log into your Tradeify account. And once you did that, it's going to take up to 7 days. And then you will receive an email with the code. You can use that code at checkout, and it's going to be good for 2 free 100K select accounts. Congrats. Congrats. We're going to pick the second winner in about... Let's say when this 5-minute candle closes, so in 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Nice. Say thanks to Kane, Trading Game.
Yeah, that was a
Sorry,
big win.
Fabs. I'm sorry, Fabs. I still feel
Yeah,
bad.
that was.
Yeah, brutal for Fabs.
He's just gonna think you hate him now, Kane. Like you did
No,
it on purpose.
No, I didn't do it on purpose.
We also gave him the second chance actually because
Yeah, we were
that's
nervous.
just
Yeah.
really unlucky.
That was really soft, actually.
Wow.
I'm not going to do that anymore.
You're a good guy, Nick. Don't worry about it.
All right. Thank you. GH0 something says next winner full port to 5-0. It's risky, but if you succeed, well.
Is there another goal to do it again?
No, we're just going to pick a second winner in 3 minutes and 45 seconds.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I mean,
Ooh, we're coming up to your level for your shorts.
I have limits actually. I'm not logged into TradingView because just a pain in the ass, kicks me out all the time, and I can't be asked for that. So this is my trade right now. Oh,
All right. All right. Celine.
Yes. Currently, I am. Wait, you're asking what I'm looking at?
Yep.
Waiting for that previous 15-minute high sweep and NQ now. But
All right.
I'm not sure that it's going to get all the way up there, but I'm going to wait. Not
Mr. Nikhil says, don't short NASDAQ. I'm long from day open. It's all-time high tonight. Are you trying to be the new Congo man? I'm long too, but new all-time high today? I don't know. We'll see.
Someone just said, why selling this so sad? Because that guy just spun the wheel twice and had 0 chance of pulling an account. I feel bad for the guy.
Brutal. It is what it is.
Sorry,
DPT says, just fade Nick. Sure, go ahead. Do it. You can make money within my trades. That's what I just explained. I said that to PPX trades yesterday as well. If you are a trader who goes for 10, 15, 20, 50, even 100 points, right? When I enter along, you can go short. If you go for 100 points, you can still hit. I'm still going to be in my trade, right? I don't give a shit. So yes, technically you can absolutely fade me and you can make money, no problem. Do whatever you want.
Welcome to, we have someone in the chat that just said they're from Capo Verde, which is cool. Welcome to Tradeify TV.
Crazy score. 0-0 against Spain.
Yeah, congrats. That's like a win. That's pretty much a win. I think it's their first point ever in a World Cup.
That's like non-existent odds.
Yeah. I swear if you had been putting money on the draws, you'd be up a lot of money.
True.
where is Cabo Verde in the world?
Isn't that in the Caribbean?
South America?
Is it South America? Well,
Oh no,
check.
it's off the
Oh, it's
coast
in
of
Africa.
Africa.
it's
Yeah,
Africa. Damn.
Oh.
I thought it was the Caribbean, but
it's off the coast of Senegal.
ooh, I see it. Dang! Wait, since when is Google Maps a fucking?
Yeah, it's like a globe.
Yeah, since when?
I thought it was flat. Is Google
was
trying to
flat.
tell me that the world is not flat?
It was,
Is this like a subconscious
it was
thing they're
always
trying to do?
flat. Damn.
Oh wow.
Why can I not zoom in on the Antarctic? That's the question. Oh, it's just,
Where's the ice wall? That's the
why
question.
is there this big white ball there? Why can't I zoom in there? That's the question. Oh, and why is
You're
there a
just
big
gonna have
blue ball in the ocean at the top?
something not making sense.
I got front round on my trade. Scam indeed.
All right, the 5-minute candle just closed, so let's pick a second winner
Let's do it.
for this giveaway. All right. Shit, now I gotta go back here. Now I gotta copy everybody over again, damn it. Dang it. It's gonna take a moment, everybody.
Right, chat. If you win, who's taking the 5x? Come on, let's just put the names in the hat right now. Who's gonna take the 5x? I want to know.
And then we spin so long until we hit one of them.
Yeah. Kevin's
5x
like
is crazy.
me. Okay, so if any of these win now, we're gonna check the comments and see if they
That's
said
true.
5x.
We can check
yeah.
their chat history.
Yeah, we'll check the
Okay.
chat history. Me.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
I feel it.
Let's
I feel
go.
it this time as well. You know, I feel the 5x
Second winner.
actually.
Damn, the Kane, Mr. Kane feels it.
Just trying to
Okay,
get
last
it.
time you
Good
felt
book.
it was not a good feeling, so.
No.
All
That's
right,
Whoa, Celine,
Ethan Rise.
my track record's pretty good actually. We've given away a lot of accounts
Really?
when I've been here.
That's true.
All right, that's fair. All right,
We did
Ethan,
the-
let's see.
Ethan Rise.
We
where
hit the
you at?
5x back to back. Actually, I remember that.
Back to back, did we?
Yeah,
Did
we
we?
did. We did.
Shit.
Not on the same stream, but 2 streams apart. We hit it.
Okay.
I don't have the receipts for that, so I just
I
trust
don't
you.
either, but I'll take your word for it. Also, Ethan isn't in the chat. Oh, there he is.
Well, not yet.
5x, please. Let's do it.
Ooh.
All right.
Okay.
Let's see
Okay.
it.
He wants the 5x.
5x.
So it's 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. All right.
Okay.
Best of luck,
Are you
Ethan.
ready?
Best of luck.
I believe, Ethan. I believe.
Oh,
Come on, chat. Please don't let us
Oh,
down.
this looking good. This looking good. This looking good.
Oh.
Let's go, Ethan. Let's go.
Ethan, that's 5 accounts. What?
Ethan's like,
odds
read
for
it
that was-
properly. He actually meant no 5x, but
Wow.
No way. He did?
I think that's what he meant. Read his chat.
Oh.
His chat history is like, no 5x. And then he's like, read it properly. Ethan, you meant 5x, right?
Wait.
Oh, well, he does
Ethan.
now.
Ethan, you meant
Oh, so he
5x,
said-
right?
He
Yes,
said,
I meant 5x.
he said, "Bull 5x," and then he said,
Oh, no.
"No 5x," and then no,
See,
and then he said,
changed-
"Woo!"
And then he changed it to D. He said, do
Yeah.
5x.
yeah, because D and N are right next to each other instead of B and N.
And now he says, "Of
Yeah.
course,
Yeah.
yeah, of course
Yeah.
you meant that."
Good
That's
job,
so
Ethan.
Alright.
Good job.
5 accounts, Ethan. What a win.
Now
Oh, wait,
we're gonna-
which accounts?
we're
5
gonna hit it.
lightning accounts?
We're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it. We're gonna hit it.
Is he gonna get max allocation?
Max
550k. Let's see.
Let's go.
Oh, we're getting fired.
Gross.
Oh fuck.
Oh, that was
150K.
crazy. That was
Oh
good.
my
That's
god.
still a fucking W though.
Ethan.
Huge.
Ethan. 150k growth times 5. Damn.
That's crazy.
You better, Ethan, you better go on all of Kane's socials right now and comment on all posts. You are the fucking man. Because you are going to get 550k growth accounts because of Kane. Now, all you got to do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure that it is your Tradeify login email. And then we're going to be sending you an email with 5 coupon codes for
We are
free.
so
on
fired.
That's insane. That's actually insane. Like,
That
how do
is.
you hit a 5x when you didn't even want a 5x? and you hit 150Ks. That's crazy.
It's the Kane luck. What can I say?
I mean, just to put this into perspective, if we go,
It was a 1 in 5 chance.
no, even lower to get the 150s on top of that.
Damn.
But just to put this into perspective, chat, okay? If you buy a 150K growth account, that's $240 after the discount is applied. So Ethan just got $1,200 worth of accounts after discount applied for free. So
You're watching Tradeify TV. What can I
that's
say?
a massive win.
We can't be doing this every day, Kane. When are you?
Well, luckily
what
for
do you-
you, Celine, I'm only here twice a month. So
Okay. Oh, we can afford that.
yeah.
No,
We
that
have to-
is that
we
is
have to save
awesome.
them.
Gave away 7 accounts now. Damn it.
Do we even do another giveaway today? Like, I feel like
No, fuck that.
550Ks. That's
No,
it.
I feel like 1,000 likes. Come on, you set the unrealistic goal. We have to. Have
Okay,
something.
1,000 likes. We're gonna run one more giveaway.
All right. Apparently, Kane runs a show around here, so Kane said 1,000.
I'm just a hustler, you know. I'm just.
No, it's
hustling.
good. It's good. All right. Well, over 1,000 people are here, so 1,000 likes should be too hard.
To be fair, at the last expo, I
Yeah.
remember the spinning the wheel.
No,
one
I
won.
remember it too.
No one won the 150K. No one won the 150K directs, and he was like, I was standing there with Brett when the guy won. I was like, Brett, come on, give him the chance, 50-50 for a 5x. Brett's like, okay, and the guy bottled it.
Oh,
He was like, no, I'm just gonna take the account. I was like, oh, I'm so sad. And I was like, Nick, spin it anyway. The other Nick, he spun it, and he would have won 5x. And he was
Yep.
like, oh
Damn.
no.
No, at the expo, I remember we gave like a few people. Do you remember the day that we had the game where you had to catch the things like the reflex game?
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, remember how bad.
Yeah,
you
and there
were
was a
at it,
guy
yeah.
that if you had done it all without dropping a single one, we were giving 550K lightning funded his way, and no one had it. Like, it was like towards the end of the day, and then this guy came and like sat down on the ground, like had his head, I don't know, he was like in this weird like lying down position, and he killed it. He crushed it. He had like this full strat. He got max allocation. It was crazy.
Smart. Very smart.
player. He came with a strat. He came with a plan.
Melody's Music says, how do we enter the giveaway? You are banned from giveaways for the rest of the day. I told you. I warned you.
Kane, did you get tagged
Morning.
into that trade, by the way?
I am, yeah, 564s, yeah.
All right, nice.
Nice.
Morning, Grandpa. Grandpa Drops. How you doing?
Good morning.
All right. Santana Fleek says, be nice, Nick. Dude, we just gave away 7 accounts, actually. What do you mean, be nice?
We might not even be here tomorrow after that.
Don't worry, chat. If they get fired, I'll take over, and then we'll do 5x giveaways every day. Just to
Damn.
Mr. Nikhil says, hi, I'm Ethan. I have the name tattooed as well on my arm. There was like a guy on the last Mario Kart Friday. Remember, Celine, when we did Team Red versus Team Blue, right? And then we had a poll on stream that asked who's going to win, Team Blue or Team Red. And remember, I said everybody who's on Team Blue is going to get a free account if Team Blue wins, and everybody who's on Team Red is going to get a free account if Team Red wins. Obviously, meaning the players on that team. And then this guy messages me after stream and says, I was Team Blue today. How can I get my free account? And I was like, I already received all the Team Blue's screenshots and their proof that they were there. You definitely were in Team Blue. And he said, yes, on the poll, I voted Team Blue. And I was like, not everybody who votes on the poll is going to get a free account.
Oh my god.
Some people.
We thought we were taking like bets. Oh my god.
Yeah. YPS, no way Nick got fired. No, I will get fired after this, but not yet. Let's see. Fernando says, if you want to sell those accounts, let me know. I got you. In the beginning, you were able to do that. Now you're not able anymore because they're attached to your email. That's why we say add your Tradeify email to your YouTube channel description.
people were selling the codes.
Yeah, that's why we had to change it up.
It's so gay.
Yeah, for real.
Someone will always ruin a good thing, won't they?
Yeah.
Always. Drop says, I voted for Team Blue too. Oh, damn. Yeah, let me send you a free account.
They will try anything. Guys, you just have to show up every day, be here watching Tradeify TV. Even New York session, Asia session, like we give accounts away every single day. So you're bound to win. Just relax.
Just turn up extra important on the days I'm here because we always hustle Nick and Celine for more accounts.
Yeah, that is true. If you want more of a
True.
chance, you come when Kane's here.
True. Well, Robinho makes a good point, though. He says London brings in more viewers and likes than New York, so you should be able to give away more accounts. That's actually true. That's a fact. Nobody
Okay.
can argue with that.
That's true, yeah.
Wow. When did we start taking over the New York session?
Actually, a couple of weeks ago.
Huge.
A couple of weeks ago.
Oh.
It's the Nick and Celine duo effect.
Oh,
And
thank you. Because right now we got a civil war happening in
we have a
Tradeify
civil war, yeah.
because Nick, the other Nick, and Rebecca have this argument that they are the best duo on Tradeify TV, but we disagree there. Because chat, let's see it now. Who is your favorite duo on Tradeify TV? Drop it
Oh,
in the
Celine,
chat.
that's aggressive.
Oh yeah. Oh,
She's going for the throat.
Yeah, she wants to know.
I'm
Do not
Yeah, yeah.
disappoint Celine, chat. She'll ban you.
that's right.
Yeah. It's like
Leia says,
having a
Nick
gun
and
to your
Celine.
head.
We got the true OG to say Nick and Celine.
Yeah,
Come on now.
Be enough. That should be. I'm screenshotting that.
I
like,
mean,
that
she's
should
been
be
here
enough.
since day one for over a year, every single day. She knows.
Kane is crazy. Get out of here.
Hair and yawns.
Celine, they love winding you up, don't they?
They what?
The chat love winding you up.
I know. Like so far now, there's 1,000 of them here, and all they do is troll me every day.
Batman and Robin. Yeah.
Which one's Batman then?
Well, I mean, it's pretty
Well.
obvious.
Do we need to see his tattoo? Yep, there it is.
Oh, you got
Well,
tattoo?
What? Oh, we got the fidget spinner too. What else we got? We got the chair. I got
How many steps do you do on that thing a day?
Well, my daily average is 15,500
Damn.
on like total daily average. But on the treadmill, probably 11,000,
Damn.
10,000 maybe.
I gotta get one.
It's so good. It's like I'm here during the stream anyways. I might as well walk, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
When you put it like that, it's kind of a good use of time. When I
Yeah.
think about it, I'm like, I kind of like laying back in my chair.
Yeah, fair.
There's a reason you're able to just rock up and run marathons and I'm not, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe.
I'm
Maybe. But I mean, have you ever tried to just rock up and run a marathon?
I don't think I could rock up and run 5K.
neither.
I think, honestly, knowing your mental game, I think you could rock up and run a marathon.
No, I could maybe do 5K. I definitely could not do a marathon. Like, actually, I'm telling you, the pain that I would experience, I just wouldn't be able to do. I wouldn't be able to push through it.
You would experience a lot of pain.
Yeah, no, I wouldn't be able to push through it.
That's just not for
There it
everyone.
is.
That's not for me. I can't do it.
You know, I said I'm never going to do a marathon. I'm going to do one last thing.
Bro, literally last time I spoke to you, you were like, never again.
Yeah, I'm going to do one last thing. I said in my life, okay? I'm going to do, one day I'm going to do the Great World Race, where you do 7 marathons on all 7 continents in 7 days. So that's the last thing. That we're
But
done.
it's going to be the most extreme form of marathon running, and you're going to do it.
Wait, so wait. Explain
But
that.
you do them slow.
How
right?
do you even get? So you run a marathon, and get on a plane.
Yeah, look, I'll show you. It's called the Great World Race.
Don't they run in Antarctica?
Yes, that's the first one. I mean, you have to if you want to do all 7 continents, right?
So
So
then-
basically, here's how it works.
Oh, you do Cape Town?
Yeah, you first do Antarctica, then you do Cape Town, then Perth, then Abu Dhabi, then Algarve, then Cartagena. How do you say that? I don't know. But anyways, Miami is the last one, and you fly in it's like the Antarctica plane is like a special plane because they need a special one to land there. But then after that, it's just like a chartered plane where you fly business because you would die if you had to sit economy after running all these marathons. And then you basically recover in the plane, you land, you get out, you run a marathon, get back on the plane, fly to the next spot. It's pretty crazy. It's
What
pretty
about
crazy.
like time zone shifts and like your body clock? Like that would be so
That's
hard
gonna fuck you up.
Yeah, but
It's
also,
gonna
are
fuck-
you actually even? Do you even have to worry about that? Because you're just running a marathon, getting on a plane, sleeping, waking up, getting off the plane, running the marathon, getting back on the plane, sleeping.
That's how it is, yeah.
Yeah, you could
Yeah,
just
but, like-
run at any time, I would guess. But
And
fuck that.
and
That's
you pay
crazy.
50,000 euros for it.
Oh, and on top of that. Is
Nick,
that
I'll,
with the
if you do it for
business- is that with
charity,
the
I'll
business
donate some money
flights, or
for the
Oh, that's a
cause.
good idea, actually, Kane. That's a really good idea.
what was that?
Like doing it for charity. Kane said he's going to donate some money if I do it for charity. Hell yeah,
Okay.
it's a good idea.
Well, now there's motivation there. Well,
And
when are you gonna do it?
when I see Brett, I'll convince him to pay for the entire thing. So all the money people donate is actually for charity.
Damn.
Sponsor it.
All right. I
Maybe
think we
you're
have
our
a
next
niche.
Tradeify sponsored athlete, Nick. Maybe it's just gonna be
Maybe.
champion
Maybe.
mindset. You know what? That would actually be sick.
It would be really sick.
Yeah, imagine that, like having a camera crew with you, maybe
Wow.
going through it.
It would be good content. I would certainly be dying.
You just need a plane with Starlink so you can trade in your sleep.
Yeah,
Adding,
imagine like you
adding
don't
micros before you,
you
go to
just
sleep.
do you just do marathon trading. Like how much money can you make trading 7 days while running 7 marathons on 7 continents?
Yes,
That's
is
the challenge.
that content would go. Yeah, that would be so fire. All right, we have to do. When are you doing this? I'm excited already.
Well, I guess now faster than I expected.
The
When is
world
the next
race.
one?
When is it? Yeah.
The next one is right. I think end of this year,
151
November.
days away.
Yeah,
Oh, registration is now open for.
November 2026.
Oh, is that enough time to train?
Whoa. We're missing something very important. November 2026 is the paddle competition.
Oh, wait.
Well, but is it at the same time?
Well, yes, because yours goes for 7 days.
It's November 12th.
Oh, so it literally is just missing it. Imagine that. Imagine he runs 7 marathons of 7 continents, flies to Greece, and kicks Celine's ass in paddle. That would be even
no,
worse.
it's not. It's not. The paddle battle is on the 8th of November. So
Oh, so it's
paddle
before.
battle.
8th.
Oh,
Yes.
Celine told me the
8th.
22nd.
So did the guys in the chat.
Celine is.
The people in the chat said that, Nick. That
That's
wasn't
wrong.
just me.
It's wrong. Remember, Claudia said she can't on the 26th or 8th or whatever it was, and then we agreed that we're going to do it on the 8th of November instead.
Things keep changing around here. I don't even know anymore.
Oh, don't even make me bring up receipts, Celine.
Oh, no,
you
don't.
know you're gonna, you know
I
you're
believe
gonna-
you, whatever. It's just, I'm just like, all right, well,
Oh, actually, it's not even it's a private chartered jet around the world.
Well,
Oh, you'd
but
hope
it's
so.
a
You're
normal,
paying
it's a
50
normal plane. It's a normal plane. It's like you fly business class, basically.
Oh.
It's not a private jet. It's a private jet, but it's not a private jet. As
Get
you would
one-on-one
imagine.
customized coaching by world-class trainers.
oh,
Business
you'll get your
class.
own coach.
Your catering and food is done every
It's a
flight.
pretty good deal because just going to Antarctica itself costs like 30,000.
Yeah, I was gonna say it's
So-
a lot. Yeah.
Wow,
So,
is it that much?
49,500 euros for the entire thing. That's not a lot. It's a good deal. Leah says, even better would be as a duo. One runs and one trades while the other runs, and the money made will be donated to charity. That's a good idea, Celine. You ready?
As long as I'm not running, I'll be there.
No, it's always like, it switches, you know?
I'll do the trading, you do the running. How about that?
So for the entire, so whilst Nick is doing the marathon, you
Yeah.
are on Tradeify TV trading.
Done.
It's trading from Antarctica. I mean, come on, how cool is that?
Yes. Okay, that sounds sick. Trading from Antarctica. Do they even have like stable Wi-Fi out there? Oh, I'll just bring Starlink. Done.
Yeah,
Starlink,
big
of course, yeah.
Easy.
Oh, thanks, Roman. Yes.
Even
They
Roman's
actually-
dancing now.
I saw in the Mr. Beast video that he basically said that when they were in Antarctica, the only thing they took was Starlink because it just
Yeah,
meant that they
makes
could
sense.
have internet.
All right. Well, November was it? Straight after the paddle tournament. A lot happening in November. It's starting to fill up. My calendar is starting to fill up. You're gonna have to.
She says, okay, now she says it's starting to fill up. When we asked her about when she can do the paddle battle, she said, "Oh, I'm fully booked until December." So, but now it's starting to fill
November
up.
is starting to fill up. Listen, I said November. Ah.
So 25 people did it last year, and the guy that ran it the fastest, he did all of his accumulative marathons in just over a day, 24 hours.
That's fucking crazy.
Jeez.
That is-
he ran the Antarctica marathon in 4 hours and 8 minutes.
Fuck. You know, my fastest marathon is 3 hours and 58 minutes. And that was definitely not in Antarctica. So that
Wow.
is super impressive.
Yeah, his fastest was in North America. He ran it in 3 hours and 9 minutes.
You know what's impressive about that? It's
Mhm.
the last one.
Yeah, it was the last one. Yeah, he basically was going. It was going up until Asia, and then it started going down again. Whoa.
That's
Wait, I've got a
crazy.
question. This might be dumb, but like, what is the surface in Antarctica that they're running on? Like, are they running
Ice.
on ice?
Ice. Yes.
Ice and snow. It's a mix.
With what sort of like runners are going to be able to grip?
I mean,
to
you just put spikes on, I would
Spikes,
assume.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Damn. That is crazy.
Yep.
But it is cool.
Um,
Like, it's an achievement. Imagine that. Like, what a.
You get a pretty cool medal with all 7 continents on it. That's nice.
That is pretty cool.
Nee Barton is asking, Nick, what EMA are you using? I'm using a 120 EMA and a 200 EMA. Right now. Robot, does it go to Congo? I don't know.
Huh?
Wait, where does it go in Australia?
I think day 3. So day 2 is South Africa and day 3 is Perth.
Oh, Perth. Okay.
Okay, wait. The guy that ran it the first ever year, he ran a 2 hour 50 Antarctica marathon.
What?
Damn.
Yeah.
How?
Bro, his fastest marathon was the Antarctica one. What?
Fuck.
Yeah, look.
But you know what? Like, I feel like running in a cooler environment would maybe be easier, right? Than running in
It's the surface there, I think.
Yeah, but the problem is the surface and breathing. Breathing because it's so cold.
Yeah, wow.
Shit.
Are these people
A sub 3 in Antarctica is wild.
crazy?
Crazy. Was it in the summer? Yeah, maybe. The summer in Antarctica is still cold. It's freezing.
That's funny. Oh my god.
Crazy.
The surface would be easier on your joints since it would have less impact than pavement. Yeah, like I guess there are those pros to being
Would it?
on ice.
Would it have? I don't know. Ice is pretty
Yeah, 'cause
fucking
it's
hard.
snow.
Yeah, it depends how much snow is on top of the ice.
Hmm.
I just reckon it would be very hard to do it.
Cheesy balls. I heard joints? Question mark.
Fucking cheese balls, always. And him and Jonathan.
Always.
Always. Joints and pizza.
The first year they had a bunch of people that didn't even complete it. Dan Little ran the Antarctica marathon in 7 hours and then didn't do anything else.
Me.
Shout out Dan.
That's an expensive marathon then.
Oh yeah, what would happen with that? No refund?
No, of course not. I mean, you decide not to run.
Yeah.
Hey,
no,
good
no.
morning, Ozempic.
Good
What up,
morning,
what up?
Olympic. London Lords. I love that.
I love that too.
Yeah, I think you have to do it, Nick. It's not even an if now; it's a when.
Yeah, that's a good point. It's a good point. I heard joints, cheese balls, and pizza. It gets worse now. Damn. All right, see you, Celine. She's just gone. Peace. Trading Market says, go short, you can't lose. Well, I'm long.
I'm short, but painfully short right now. It's annoying.
Where's your stop on that?
Oh, the current high.
Okay.
7059.75. I don't have high hopes for it at this point.
Right.
She's gone to shush the dogs. Has she got dogs now?
No, but they're like wild dogs, I think, or the neighbors' dogs in Greece. They're just barking all the time. However, we are still, Chat and I were very convinced that it's actually her sister, that she is, hiding in the basement. So, we'll see. I think it isn't dogs. Baby says, so what we expecting today? I know there's some news out today. Do we run up beforehand? Well, I am long biased, so I'm in longs. You guys all live in Greece? No, just Celine. Now she does. So she's in, yeah, robot. Let him know. Justice for Hannah. So she's in Greece. I'm in Switzerland. Kane in the UK. How's your grass looking now? Now
Bro, it's good.
Really
But
nice and green.
yeah, it's nice and green. However, the dogs seem to love it a bit too much, and they want to dig it up. Yeah. Keep catching the boy dog digging in the garden. Oh, me and him, and we're at war
Damn.
right now.
Dang. Leia says, Nick, I just got a sick idea. What's your idea? Star Trader says, Milord Kane is on. Woohoo! Talter Nick, is that buy supposed to be a stop loss? No, it's supposed to be a buy. That's why I put a buy on. Ocean Wave, German side.
Nick, I still wonder how to be handsome like you.
Some people in the chat. Oh man. Just walk on a treadmill.
Yeah, to be truly handsome, you have to think about signing up for the world race.
Yeah, you don't have to sign up, you just have to think about signing up.
I'm not even thinking about it, so I'm out.
Yeah, just get a treadmill and walk while you're trading. That's the secret. It's the actual secret. Damn. Branislav, chill, dude. Holy fuck.
I'm back.
Hello.
I made a coffee.
So did you go feed Hannah?
Yeah. Hannah's been fed now. No, I had to shut the door and I made a coffee, so I've got some caffeine in me now.
Ham Amadi says, yesterday I lost my payout. Wait, how do you lose a payout?
What?
I've lost
Probably
payouts before,
Probably like almost at payout stage, and then he blew it.
The payout's been on the way to the bank, and then suddenly the money disappears, and I have like a new item somewhere. It's just the payout got lost.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. Ooh, potential setup. I might be shorting this soon.
Ooh, Kane is still in, huh?
Nice.
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
That was a close one.
Did you see Leah's idea? So you run, and everyone who wants to donate can buy a Tradeify account for a cheaper price, like a tournament price, and all the money made gets donated.
Oh. This is
Good,
getting like really interesting now.
Hamamadi, I don't know if you understand proper use of emojis, but how did you lose the payout? Overtrade.
The emojis make that whole thing so much better. He's like with the money face as well when he said he lost his payout.
Read between the lines.
He's like, I lost my payout. Whoopsie.
Like overtrade.
Money face too. Oh, that's all right. I'm getting an entry here. In the next 10 seconds, I will enter this.
Oh.
That should answer knowledge nuggets question. Selena, are you taking this short?
Yes, I'm taking a short here. One moment.
So what do you wait for? You wait for a 15-minute high with some sort of divergence.
No divergence. Sometimes there's divergence, but no, that's not a consideration. Like, it just has to sweep the previous 15-minute high and invert on the 1 minute. And there has to be a higher time frame, like the 4-hour time frame has to have swept as well. But this is not looking like a nice entry. What the hell? Come down, NASDAQ.
Ozempic.
What's he saying?
Let's plan a real stunt. Nick parachutes into the South Pole, then has to run to the coast wearing nothing but his white t-shirt while carrying a Tradeify banner. His hair would still remain pristine. Sure. You know what? A Tradeify parachute would be pretty sick.
This is a perfect long entry for anyone else that faded right at that second.
Yeah, you bottom take that.
Damn, wait, I'm gonna just give this some room off the high.
Are you still in, Kane?
I'm still in, yeah. I do not look at a book map or anything order flow related for my entries. I just look at it. If I'm streaming with someone that uses order flow, I'll look at their order flow tools, but I don't install them myself because I'm just fucking lazy.
Fair.
Robot says maybe have Spotty dance on the South Pole. I mean, yeah, he likes to dance on poles, so
True.
good idea.
You know what, we can get Spudnik to sponsor the race. He won $40,000, so
True. That almost pays for the race.
yeah, do you know what I mean?
That's
Wait, how much is 49,500 euros in USD? That would be 57,000. Okay.
Almost.
Well, he can sell some of his Pokemon cards, and then he's gonna have the money.
Whoa, I don't know about that. You can let him keep hold of them. Kane, do you like cricket? I do not like cricket. I think that's the most boring sport.
I was talking about this the other day on stream. Hate.
Now you're gonna get hated.
It's just like, what is it? It's just stupid. Watching two people run up and down.
Two people run up and that is, yeah. I don't even know. I don't want to profess to know what cricket is.
Coquinho giveaway, yes. When we hit 1,000 likes, we already gave away 7 accounts. So once we hit 1,000 likes, we can do one more giveaway.
How many are we at? What are we at?
755.
Come on, guys, hit the like button.
We could do it.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's doable.
All right, I'm gonna get stopped. That is
I'm out as well.
terrible entry there. I was in drawdown this entire time.
It was a great entry. You bottom ticked it.
Well, yeah. If anyone faded me at that second, congrats. Wow.
My favorite sport. I'm like the only sport I will religiously sit down and watch is Formula One.
Fair. And what's your favorite sport to do?
Rugby.
Rugby?
You play rugby?
Yeah, I played rugby most of my teenager.
Fuck, I would
teenager
be
life.
scared. I would be scared to have you as my opponent.
Bro, there are so many people bigger than me.
You would run me over like a tank.
Yeah, but there are people that ran me over like a tank, you know?
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I have to mute because these dogs are just way too loud. Can you hear the dogs barking
Ever so
No,
slightly.
I can hear Hannah barking. No dogs though.
like that? Can you hear that?
Yeah, can't.
I can sometimes hear it.
Okay. Oh, they're so loud. I don't know what's happening over there. I'm kind of nervous for these dogs. Anyway, rugby.
Brian says was gonna say Kane looks a little soft for rugby. Well, you have not seen Kane in person, dude. Kane is a fucking
true.
monster.
Yeah, I would have said rugby or basketball for Kane.
Basketball. Again, doesn't really interest me too much. But it's also not really a sport here.
Well, you play paddle though.
Yeah.
So
Again, I wouldn't want to say I'm the best at it though. I'm definitely not very good at it.
well, would you
Not
beat
everyone
Celine?
is.
That's the real question.
Maybe. I would obviously back the fact that I would, but would I actually?
I just
don't
don't
know.
think height is a favorable thing in paddle. That's where I'm coming from here.
Oh, you don't?
No, I don't think height, like being tall, is gonna like make you any better at paddle.
Okay, do you think it makes you worse though?
Doesn't make you worse. Almost. Like you have to think about this, right? Also, I've just been top ticked out of that short. You can tell there. Look at where my stop was.
Don't worry, Slim. We're in the same pain boat right now. We don't have to rub it in
Mega
each other. Yeah.
Anyway, what were we talking about? Quick, because I'm like getting ready by these shots. Oh, being tall. Because paddle, like obviously there's the walls around you, and being tall, like you're gonna have longer limbs, longer legs, and so moving around a small paddle court, sometimes you're just not gonna get there fast enough because you're just too tall. I don't know. I can't explain. Your range of motion, getting lower to the floor, getting lower to the ground, getting those lower. Anyway, what is NQ doing right now? I don't want to even look at it.
Absolute fucking pricks.
Rubbish. Absolute rubbish. I even gave myself a little bit more room. That's ridiculous.
Told you to go short. I'm pretty sure you told us to short the low, which is where we're at now.
My
Trading
first
market says when I speak, market listens. Dude, you're not Congo, man. No.
That's actually wild. My first TP just hit, so that's actually disgusting. Anyway.
You'll find another one.
Though, and I took that on evals, so I'm safe. Stop losses for suckers. Yeah, well, like day after day, I'm slowly learning. Like if I am trading more like Nick, I probably wouldn't be taking as many losses. Yeah. Seriously, stop losses are dumb.
What?
Well, Kane, if we didn't have a stop loss right now, we'd still both be in this trade making money.
Listen, I can tell you the amount of times I've not had a stop loss, and it's around 400 points above my stop,
Oh, I
and
love
I've
that.
regretted it. So
Try it
I
again.
love that.
Don't give
At
up.
400 points against me, I have a nice position.
yeah.
Just don't lose and you will keep winning. Thanks, Ozempic, I'm sure. But can we just see what this is? Like, this is just stupid.
Then you're too heavy in. Yeah, but that's the whole point of why I have a stop loss, right? I understand the way that Nick is trading. It works when you trade 1-2 micros, you know.
Yeah, if you do it with 1 mini, you're fucked.
You need a couple of $1 million to do it that way.
Yes. Trading Market says, guys, we all saw you in real trading Grand Cup. You suck at trading. Well, Trading Markets, I didn't have a single red day in Grand Cup. On day 4, the guy just made more than I did.
Yeah, you suck, Nick.
Fuck. Hearing it from you
I'm
just
not even
hurts
gonna
more.
respond to that. As if anyone was trading Grand Cup like a normal account. The point was you just had to, if anyone
Found
understood
a
the rules,
trade.
you just had to like get up on your opponent. If your opponent was up, I mean, that's the way I went about it. If my opponent was up like $1, I was just trying to make $2.
Yeah, my
Says Nick
tactic
has no
was
stop loss, but he's driving at 20 kilometers an hour. Yeah, pretty much.
What was your tactic, Kane?
to take one trade. If it doesn't play out, then I just leave it.
Yeah.
Like I would sell the market, put a TP in, or buy the market, put a TP in. If it didn't play out, I would just leave it in.
Fair.
Yeah.
It got to like 3 o'clock and my opponent was like, Kane, can I stop trading for the day or are you still in your trade? I don't want to see the market liquidate and then I lose. I was like, I'll close it for you.
Wow, this just love it.
Dip before the rippy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's looking pretty good for a long from here though.
I think a little bit lower. I might get to add to my position.
You want that entry?
Where are you looking to add, Nick?
Well, if we just slowly go down, then at around 424. But if we go down fast, then I would add higher already. It's all about the speed.
Oh, okay.
Oh, we got another one in the chat. R7 trading. I just blew my fund. The emoji.
The emoji is crazy.
He says, no, I didn't. Just wanted to throw the emoji. There. Fair.
He's funded gone. Well, you know what?
Now they're just trolling.
I don't know. Are they?
Santana Fleek says, where's that giveaway? Well, where are the 1,000 likes? We already gave away 7 accounts. Now we need 1,000 likes to give away more.
Let's see. What are we at?
AI prompt course says, you both will lose today. One just earlier than the other. Oh, that sounds like I'm going to be taking a screenshot.
Yes, more receipts. He said one just earlier than the other. Nick comes soon.
I need a couple screenshots. Wait 1 second. We gotta keep the receipts.
Wait,
guys,
let's just put it this way, Nick. How much drawdown can you withhold? Like, how many 1,000 points can this go before you actually lose?
The answer is yes.
Exactly. So AI prompt course. There you go. Unless you're trying to call some like 1,000 point dump right now. But
we'll see.
You know the good thing about opinions in the market is you can get paid for them. So if you believe Nick is wrong, you can just counter trade him.
That's a good point.
But
Are you taking the opposing trade? That's the question.
I mean, I took the opposing trade and lost, so.
Well, it's all about how you trade, right? I mean, you were looking for how many points?
I was looking for this move, just to this, at least like taking profits at this 1 minute low here.
So you're looking for like a 40 point-ish move?
Yeah.
Or not even, 30, 20 to 30. Yeah. So one could have taken the opposing trade without a stop and he would still be in. So it really depends how does one trade.
Where does one put one's stop loss is the question. If I put it a point higher, because I did give it room. Like I gave it room. The old me would have put the stop at the high, and then I give my stops now like a couple, 2 or 3 points high. But now I missed out by another point. So I mean, I'm not going to keep moving my stops to just allow for these times where I get ticked out, wicked out of trades. So we just got to let it do its thing. It sucks. It happened. It's going to happen. And that's it.
Yep. Next one is coming. Mo says, when is the TGR, Nick? Tradeify Grand Run. I like the name of that. Forbidden Shenanigans. Welcome to Tradeify TV. Welcome. Are we at 128k subs yet? Wait, let me refresh.
Ooh, are we?
No, we're at 127. Max, I won giveaway on Monday, but I have not done KYC. Will I be able to get a giveaway code? If you have a Tradeify login, yes, you will get your account if you added your Tradeify login email to your YouTube channel description. Okay, Michael is asking, how long have you guys been trading for years-wise? Kane, how long have you been trading for?
Too long. 11 years all in.
11 years.
Long
It's
too long.
Why too long?
I was like in high school 11 years ago.
Fuck, this trade hit TB. I actually got ticked out of it. It's so annoying.
Well, wait, why is 11 years too long?
That would have made me 21. I'm 32 now. I'm just saying, like 11 years is a long time, right?
I mean, compared to most trading gurus, it is a very long time, yes.
Yeah. Yeah, they've been trading 3 weeks.
But I already have 3,000 Discord members.
Yeah. Fucking idiots.
Wait, this is burning me. This trade is actually burning me inside.
Celine, we just take it gracefully and we move on. We don't
Okay,
talk
I
about
mean,
it.
yeah.
We
It's
just
rage baiting.
it's rage baiting us. Yeah.
Anyway,
It's rage
sorry, someone's
baiting
asking how long have I been trading? I've been trading 2 and a bit years now. This is in October will be officially 3 years.
3 years.
3 years. Not enough time at all. How old are you, Nixlin Kane? We get this question in the beginning of the stream. Guys, take a guess.
72.
Oh wait, you guys can hear the dogs?
No.
I love how G4G says, Celine, go pet the neighbor's dogs to calm down, love. I don't know why I said love.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I think the dogs have calmed down now. They're all good.
Yeah. Just admit it was Hannah and you fed her now and now everything's
Fed
fine.
him.
Yeah. Like Tim, our guest yesterday in New York stream, still says that I called him Miss Tim. Every single time he comes on, I call him Miss Tim instead of Mr. Tim, which is just not true. And I know the mic is cutting it out because people are talking over each other. And he's so convinced that I call him Miss Tim that now I actually call him Miss Tim. So Mr. Hannah and Miss Tim.
Done. By the way, speaking of dogs, Kane, I know what would make me feel a lot better after that loss.
Oh, you want me to get my dogs to come up?
Zeus and Zella, please. Zella. Can they hear me?
No, they're downstairs. I need to ask my friend Ollie to let them out, and then I'll call them.
Oh, Nick, stop.
We need 175 more likes. Stop what?
Justice for Hannah.
Didn't even do anything.
That's dead. She's in the jail cell. The justice is gone.
Ollie.
Kane is off mute. Kane is. Oh, that's funny. Zeus.
Right, Ursula?
Zeus.
Ursula, right.
Stella.
You know it.
Come on.
Forbidden Shenanigans, how long has this channel been around? We started on 22nd of May last year, so about a year and 1 month.
And we've already smashed the 100k subscribers. I say we're going for 200k this year. I mean, that's just me.
Well, I mean, with another Grand Cup coming up.
Are they here?
Sure, possible.
All right, wait there. Sit.
Do they actually listen?
Yeah, he sits, yeah.
Oh. Yay! There they are.
She's gone downstairs. She's scared.
Oh, that's
So cute.
Okay.
Oh, cute. All right, I feel
So
better now
cute.
instantly. Who cares about that loss? I'm gonna get a dog. I've got to get a dog.
Well, you already have some. We can hear them.
Yeah.
Zeus, what do you think?
People are like, wait, what? When Grand Cup 3? Soon. Maybe. You said what, Celine?
I was going to ask Zeus what he thinks about these markets, up or down.
He's like,
Look, he's a little baby. Look.
Oh.
I do that with,
Wait, are they
with my
full
cats
size
all the
now?
time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Full size.
Full size.
He's I mean, I'm just taking my headphones off so I can't hear you. But he's getting pretty big. I have to hold him like this, otherwise he'll jump. But oh, come on.
No, he's perfect size. Oh my gosh. He's just like a big cuddly bear.
Let's put the headphones back on. What are they saying about you?
I said he's like a cuddly bear.
Yeah, he needs a cut though. He's very, very fluffy right now.
I mean, in London, in the UK, it's probably good to have a thick coat, right?
Yeah, we took them to the groomers, and the groomers that we took them to weren't very good. So,
As in,
they shaved their face. They shaved this part of their face,
Oh,
and they accidentally shaved their whiskers,
no.
which is really bad to do. Yeah, so
how do you like? They're professional dog groomers, and they fucked that up.
yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so
What
I was like,
happened to
they're not
dog
going back there.
whiskers?
The whiskers are there for like when they
Scent.
brush past things and sensing. Yeah, so
Oh.
he's a good boy.
Oh, that's
Sasha List is asking, so why did Celine move to Greece? Tax evasion? Well, you don't move to Greece for tax evasion. I can tell you that.
Oh,
It's actually the
we're
worst in Greece, actually. I think.
not talking about this again.
Well, you said you have it under control, so I trust you.
Yeah, I've got it under control. But that day you brought it up, all of the chat had all these questions like, guys, do you think I do my own stuff? No, I don't. There's financial advisors and tax accountants for that. I'm not a part of it.
Well, oftentimes, if you invest a little bit of time, you're going to know more than them.
I do, but I mean, my fiance handles all of that as well, I must say.
It's a blue job.
I can't really speak on the numbers.
Fair.
He's so happy to be up here instead of downstairs.
He's chilling.
He's
is
chilling there.
He can stay. Why doesn't he just stay for the whole stream? He looks happy.
Abhishek. Santana says, well, Nick, we will not get a better entry, it looks like. Just be patient. If it goes up, you take profit. If it goes down, you have more. Celine is a full-time AI. Yep, very true.
Yes, Celine is a
Very
full-time
true.
trader. Kane and Nick also. Let him trade, Kane.
Yeah, he'd probably trade better than us.
I mean, he looks like it.
He's
I
going
mean-
through this phase right now where he loves playing fetch. Where's your ball?
Nice.
Where's your ball? Where's your ball? Where's your ball then? He's like, where is it? Where is it? Oh my gosh, where's the ball?
Where'd you put it? He's like thinking about
He's
it.
whining. Can you hear him whining?
Not really.
We can't hear
Like,
it
let
right
me
now,
have
but
the ball,
we
let
can
me have
see
the
it.
ball. Go on, Nick, go get your ball.
Where'd you put the
Go get your
ball?
He sat there looking at me like, go on then, throw it.
Dogs are so smart.
Yeah, he is. But he's digging right now. He's digging. He hasn't really come into the office because it's hot up here, and he gets.
Damn,
really-
Roman is lighting the chat up here. Says 155 likes for a crazy giveaway.
Oh,
Indeed.
Roman, what are you giving away there?
Yeah.
Roman's getting paid in likes, guys. So come on, let's get Roman paid.
Get Roman his salary.
Keith is asking you going to the prop next week as well, Kane.
I am. Yep, I'm gonna be there.
Hey, give me 1 minute. I'll be right back.
Okay. Roman wants to get fired too. Well, at this point, what did we say? 1,000 likes. We're currently at 871, and it's doable. There are over 1,000 of you here, so there's 30 minutes. You only have to get just over 100 likes. Kane, don't look at NQ.
No, I know, Celine. Don't worry about it. I've already let it go.
What?
I said I've already let it go.
Oh, you really go. Yeah, I know.
What are you doing down there?
He's looking for his ball now.
He is looking for his ball. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go
Now you
downstairs
have
with him in a
to throw
minute. And play
it.
ball.
This is sad.
Yeah, but he didn't bring it up, so
See,
because they're smaller. I got them smaller balls, so like
Yeah.
not the big tennis balls like this.
Yeah,
They're like medium tennis balls.
Yeah.
Oh, he stuffs them under the sofa so he knows where they are.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's like a game for them to like. It's like what they do with their bones,
Yeah.
like they go and dig it up. But now he can't remember where he's put it. It's so funny.
Yeah, literally.
All right, I've got one of my haters in the chat. It says, "Hi,
Which one?
Celine isn't really very smart in any aspect of life, Lemaire." Well, thanks.
Well, she's currently being paid to do what she does, and you're watching her for free. So
Oh well, there you
that
go.
sounds pretty smart to me.
There you go, Pro. Also, you don't have to be here. You don't have to listen to me at all. I love how the chat goes after them as well. It's funny. 257 Joker. So is Nick going to leave the trade on all day if it never hits TP, but also never drops enough to blow the account? Well, no, he would close the account on his. Well, it depends what he's trading. If it's fundeds or whatever, but he'll get out of the market before market close, even if it hasn't hit TP. But on his live account, I'd say he holds it.
On prop, yes.
On prop, that
On
is.
live,
But on
yeah.
live, you would hold. Yes, I assume.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, fucking Q, man.
Yeah, it's rage
Alright.
baiting, you guys.
We've let go. We have to let
It
this.
is rage baiting. Misty says, "Where's Nick? I'm right here. I am right here, Misty. Don't you worry."
Oh, this is disgusting. I might just leave.
No. Don't leave.
Well, I have to go in a minute anyway. I'm currently getting puppy dog eyes to go and throw the tennis ball.
Oh yeah, you can't leave him hanging now.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying.
Yep.
Yep.
I'm trying
You
to
leave whenever you have to leave. We're gonna hold fort here. See.
Disgusting.
It wants to give me another entry, it looks like.
Another day, another rage bait. Thank you.
Good old NQ rage baits.
Yeah, Kane, if you need to jump off, this is the
Yeah.
time. I have no idea
Right.
because you came on earlier today, so you're probably
Yeah, he did.
it's all good.
So everybody put a big fat W in the chat for Kane, W Kane. And because of him, we're gonna have a third giveaway if we reach 1,000 likes. So say thanks to Kane because we already gave away 7 accounts.
Don't let me down, chat. I believe you can do it.
Oh yeah.
Well
All
done.
right, see you next time, Kane.
Ciao. Thanks, guys. Much
Have a
love.
great day.
I'll see you in London.
See you soon. Bye.
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 Let's do this.
Alright.
1,000 likes.
1,000 like-a-roonies, how
This will
Spud
be-
would say.
This will be huge. How many accounts would that would be probably one of the biggest amount of accounts we've given away on a London session stream, I'd say. 7
On a
already.
London session stream, yeah. On a London session stream, yes.
But I mean, like, if we're getting the viewers and the likes, maybe we should give more accounts away. I do agree that
I mean, I agree. Look, we have a team meeting later today,
that is true.
so we can add. Oh, now you can be on the team meeting because of your
Yeah.
time.
Yeah, it's good.
Oh.
It's like 6:30 p.m. here. I can do it.
Nice,
Um,
nice.
But yes,
Nice.
chat. We'll put in the good word. We'll make something happen.
Yep.
Hey, Celine, do you see the 15-minute FVG rejection? All right, let's have a look at NQ. Really, this is the perfect short, and I was in at my right entry, just stop got ticked out, but not seeing a 15-minute rejection here at the moment. No, there is no gap. Right now we are looking like we're inverting this 1 hour gap. We are coming out of this 4 hour gap, and I'd say we might be getting the daily bearish candle flip. I don't know. And the daily candle flip bearish all the way to daily open would be crazy, but
We might.
this is what I was waiting to see. The 4 hour gap rejection, sweep of previous 4 hour high, align that with the sweep of the previous 15-minute high, and then drop back into the Asia range. So previous 4 hour low is like the ultimate target, but then you got Asia low, those equal lows there, and then previous day low. Like there are multiple targets to the downside here. Just a shame. I literally just got ticked out of that. So
But let's be honest.
yes.
Let's be honest. W for you, because you followed your system and you didn't let it rage bait you and revenge trade it. So
That's true. That is true. Like
W discipline.
the old me might have like flipped along and then tried to get in along, and then I would have been cooked. So yes, W discipline, and W to anyone who had a better stop loss, who had it maybe a tick or two higher and still in this, because
Or no stop.
or no stop for that matter, because it was the clean entry. Just yeah. Oh, stupid stop loss.
Stupid.
Stupid. Flea market dropped after the 15-minute candle got engulfed. Okay, fair. I don't trade with like, the only consideration I give to the 15-minute time frame is how it is reacting to its previous high. So this was a nice rejection of all these highs up here. I'm not interested in like engulfing candles or whatever. It's as long as it trades above these highs, that's all I was. Oh, Roman, can we switch to my chart? That is all I'm considering here. So once we had this sweep, also I do see actually there is a 15-minute gap here that is being played out of right now as well. Oh, to the probably the point there, that midpoint rejection of that 15-minute gap. But regardless of that gap being there, these are the highs I was watching to get swept, and that is the only consideration I give to the 15-minute.
Fair. Fair.
Just for fun, it says, Celine, you should try no stop loss for a few sessions and tell us your result. You know what? I might do an eval challenge where I trade without a stop loss and see. Should I do that? I would be interested.
I think you shouldn't.
Why? I think I should really.
It's gonna mess with what you're currently doing that's working for you.
No, but as in like just for fun to see where I'm taking a stop in the London session where I might be able to not take a stop. I don't know. I'm curious. Just for fun, chat. Should we do that? Let's all do it.
Shits and giggles.
Well, it'd be more fun if we all do it. Yes, if you all go and grab an eval, we can start next Monday. Trading no stop loss for the London session. Evals only, of course. But yeah, it might be hard to manage my other accounts if like some are having stop losses, some aren't. That might be hard actually. Logistically, might not work.
Your choice, lady.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's true, Leia. All right, yeah. Now that I think about it logistically, I don't have the capacity to be like copy trading these accounts and not having a stop loss on those accounts. Like, no. Okay. Might be a bit too much for me. Thank you, shorts rock today. Yeah, they did rock. We weren't in them, but they rock. All right, Nick, are you looking to add at any point near here?
Not here, no.
Okay.
I mean, we're just slowly ticky-tacking lower, so not really interested.
Fair.
Not really interested.
Do any of you think there's anything in the 15-minute orb? It's played out fairly well so far today. Not gonna lie, I do not look at the 15-minute orb on NQ really at all. Couldn't tell you how much it's played out. Have no data or statistics on that at all.
Data.
So cannot comment.
Hey, we only need 74 more likes, chat. 74 more likes, and we're gonna run another giveaway after already giving away 7 accounts.
It's huge.
Huge. Huge. Airben says Nick should DCA. Damn, that's a new one.
You should try it sometime.
Maybe.
Selena, Nick,
Catherine.
yes, go, Catherine. Go.
Go ahead.
Oh, Selena, Nick, have you guys saved an account with 300 away from blowing it? Yes and no. Sometimes there has been times where I've just blown it because there's $300 left. But the old me, yes, would have absolutely blown it. Now the current me, I have a risk management system in place around my account so that when I'm in a certain amount of drawdown, with a certain amount of drawdown remaining, I will risk depending on that. So if I only have $300, I'm trading a $30 risk. So like not trying to take a trade that is going to blow it. I'm trying to hold on to the account as long as possible. But depends. Eval, funded, that also changes things. Nick, how would you answer that?
Yeah, I've saved an account with a $30 drawdown before. But I also blew accounts that had like a couple $100 left. So yes and no.
Santana says, Selena, more trades for you. Not necessarily, no. I can still get another trade in here. There is not currently a setup, but I'm not looking to force anything. The next, I guess, if you want to know what I'm looking for next, is basically we have now formed these, well, once this 15-minute candle closes, there is now an inversion on the 15-minute. So we have now inverted this bullish move to the upside. So this, I'll just mark it out here. So we have now inverted this gap on the 15-minute, as well as that once this 15-minute candle closes, we have now confirmed a 15-minute bearish gap. So potentially I could take a short if we get into this gap now, tap into, which would sweep this current 15-minute candle's high, tap into this bearish 15-minute gap, and then short out of there. Still, because there are those draws to the downside that I'm looking at. So the 4-hour low, the previous 4-hour low, and that Asia low are definitely levels I'm looking to get taken out. So could potentially get another setup in here. Just waiting. Good morning, LSG. Bit late.
Yeah, that is a bit late. We're gonna go back up here already. Damn it.
You want to add?
Lower, yeah, but not here. Not here. Okay, we're at 959 likes. We need 41 more.
We're so close. Come on. We'll definitely do it.
1,000 plus viewers throughout most of the stream, plus 1,000 likes. London is cooking, chat. You are cooking.
London is cooking.
Lavoisier, you're asking, how do you deal with accounts? Is it more accounting approach, not taking it personally, etc.? And how do you balance your personal budget considering you're a full-time trader, drawdown months, etc.? Oh, there's a lot of questions. How do you deal with accounts? Is it more accounting approach, not taking it personally? Not sure exactly what you mean by that. Celine, do you understand that?
How do you deal with accounts? Is it more accounting approach, not taking it personally?
I mean, at the end of the day, it's P&L.
Yes.
That's all I care about. I don't care how many accounts I use. I don't care about whatever. The only thing I care about is profit. That's what I need. Everything else, I don't give a shit.
And I don't know if this answers your question, but I don't trade with any live or current capital myself. I'm only trading prop. So I guess when it comes to like budgeting, my risk on, for example, is not as heavy as someone who might be trading their live capital. So prop all the way.
Ozempic says, screenshot the like count and the viewer count. Send it to Rebecca and Nick. They're going to love it.
Yes. Okay.
Good point. We need to get it over 1,000 likes though first.
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's get it done. 12 more.
And then if they
more.
break that, hey, all right. If they break that 1,000 likes with over 1,000 viewers, then we can safely say, okay, they are the better the duo. But if they don't, then I think we can take the crowns.
Back. 997. But now we only have 993 likes. So wait. First, I got a screenshot.
No, they both have to be over 1,000.
Yeah, they do. Okay, we got the 1,000 likes. Congrats, chat. We're gonna run another giveaway. Now we just need 1,000 viewers back.
Come on, guys, come back. We're about to do a giveaway as well.
Get your grandma to watch. Get your dad to watch. Get your dog to watch. Get everybody to watch.
Everybody, bring them to the stream quickly because we're gonna do a screenshot. We need this.
We need this screenshot. We truly do. Ah, it's going down. 977. Come on, chat. Stay on. We need the screenshot. We're gonna do a giveaway in return.
Let's just talk giveaway. They'll all come back. We're about
giveaway.
Oh, they're coming.
Oh, 999. I'm ready to screenshot,
we're about
chat.
to run a giveaway, guys. Don't go anywhere. Don't jump off the stream.
We're gonna run a giveaway if you stay here.
giveaway.
997. Chat. We need 1,000 viewers.
Come on.
For the giveaway. We're so close.
Oh, I was gonna screenshot 999.
I'm ready for 1,000. I have the screenshot ready. I just need to
don't
release.
go anywhere, chat.
There we go. 1,008. Boom. Done. Got it.
Nice.
We got it. Okay. Sending this. Right. Tagging Rebecca and Spud. 1 second.
It's simple. Yes, happy 1K chat. We did it. 1,000 viewers, 1,000 likes. We're about to do a really nice giveaway here in just a few minutes because you guys smashed it. We've already given away 7 accounts, so don't say we don't provide for you. This is one of the biggest streams on London Session ever.
It is actually. All right. Giveaway time. So, for all of you, if you have filled out the form already today, you have to do it again. I'm going to delete everybody out of it. Here are the rules if you want to participate in this giveaway. All you're going to do is you have to like the stream, you have to subscribe to the channel, and once I send the link to the Google form in the YouTube chat, you have to click that link and fill out that form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, how the form is, what shape of form I'm in, or any sorts of questions along the lines of that, you will get disqualified. And I just explained these rules. So if you ask me, how do I join this giveaway? You will get super disqualified. So don't. Here's the link. And I'm going to wish everybody good luck. We already gave away 7 accounts, which is already massive.
Huge.
But yeah, we're going to give away more.
I said that on stream today. It's a huge giveaway. Huge. Skipping work to watch and trade. This guy knows what's up. Nixon.
This guy says bird and straight. That's what it is.
Hashtag London Gang. That's it.
What?
You know what? Can we get a hashtag London Gang like spam in the chat? I'm going to screenshot that. Hashtag London Gang.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah, let's do it.
Hashtag London Gang. Everyone spam it in the chat. Go. I'm going to take a screenshot. Oh, don't spam it. Just say it once.
Do it.
I'm going to start it off. Let's go. Screenshot incoming.
Let's get the screenshots going.
Got it. Oh, even Roman got in there. Thanks, Roman. All right, done. We got it.
Nice. Nice. We did it, chat.
Rebecca and Spuddy.
Wait, send it in the thread though. Don't add it to the main channel because otherwise it's gonna the other one loses the the effect.
The effect, yeah. All right, hold on. I need the emoji that's like. Ah.
That's exactly what we need.
Where do I find that? What is it even called?
I don't know.
Okay, give me a sec.
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. Oh, there it is. Oh no, it's not. Ah. I'll do this one.
Yeah, we got it.
Okay, done.
We got it. Wait, let me check. This
do
one
like
works too.
I do like this.
Nice. All right. We're going to pick a giveaway winner in 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
Oh, dang. Wait, I got to screenshot that one and send it in the thread as well.
The Nick
Rebecca and
Germany.
Rebecca and Spud, Curacao. Nick and Celine, Germany. Yep.
Yep. Finally, you know what's even better, chat? If you go to the New York stream and just spam hashtag London Gang in the New York session.
Yeah, hashtag London Gang in the New York session all day, please. Whenever Spud or Rebecca are on, or them together, spam hashtag London Gang in the chat.
That's the new thing now.
We're gonna take over, chat. We're gonna take over. We have the biggest segment on Tradeify TV. So might as well show the others, right?
Might as well. We are going to that meeting tonight. There's going to be some bit of unrest, bit of civil war going on in our meeting today. Oh.
It's gonna be good.
Is everyone in the chat from London? No, the crazy thing is we actually have a lot, like, look at Ozempic, someone who is normally watching the New York session, I know lives on the other side of the world, is up trading the Euro session. Like, a lot of these viewers are global in America, I mean, Asia, but yeah, a lot actually in America.
Factoronies.
Is there any limit for the submissions? Yes, only
Damn, Dustin.
What?
Go ahead.
I was going to say yes because the guy was asking. You're only allowed to enter the giveaway form once. If you enter twice, you're disqualified. So don't even try.
I said damn Justin because his time is 4:52 a.m.
Damn.
Wild.
Crazy.
All right, chat. You know what to do. Spam London Gang. Hashtag London Gang in all New York stream chats today in all segments. When Spud or Spud and or Rebecca are on.
Yep. You must. That's a must. We'll check back in tomorrow and see how that went. Also, someone said, Michael said Nick, Sweden, Celine, Austria. That's funny. We don't have to spam it anymore. Just spamming it here. No chat. We got the screenshot. It's all good. Spam it in the New York session.
Yeah, that's when you really got to spam it. That's important stuff.
Yes. Giveaway time?
Yeah. Let's do it. I'm just going to copy everybody over. First, I got to check if the dumb guy's here.
Stupid guy.
Good. Good. All right. Oh, we got a lot of entries. Don't forget, chat, we already gave away 7 accounts today. Now we're giving away more, even more. So this is just a single account giveaway. Actually, you know what? Fuck it. We're going to do 2.
Ooh.
We're going to do 2.
2 separate winners or 2-to-1 winner?
Two separate winners.
All right.
No spinning for double or nothing, but 2 separate winners.
All right. I mean, they did hit
come on.
record.
We got 1,000 viewers, throughout most of the stream. We got 1,000 likes. I mean, we have to. We have to.
We gotta celebrate. We gotta give away. Done.
Yep.
Let's do
Very
it.
true. All right. First winner of today's third giveaway
An 8
is. Yep. The African.
Ah, woohoo!
Seen you before.
I've
The
seen you
African.
Congrats.
Congratulations. Very nice. Very nice.
So where are you at?
Type something in the chat.
Is it the Congo man's alt? The
Could be. It could be. Who knows? Where are you, sir? The African. Did he
Oh,
type?
he's there. That's his username.
Where?
The African 1340.
Oh, there.
No way.
Says no way. Wow. Okay, now we're gonna pick a second winner, and then we're gonna spin the wheel, and they both get the same account.
Let's
All
do
right.
it.
Second winner is gonna be Stella R2N7G. Stella R2N7G.
Congrats, Stella.
Congrats.
Are you here?
Congratulations, yeah.
Stella R.
Stella R2N7G. Where are you?
Stella? Are you here?
Stella, are you changing account? Stella.
Here.
All
All
right.
right.
All right. Perfect. All right. Now let's see what both of you actually win. That's the real question here. If this is another 150k, then we're done. So both of you
I'm nervous.
receive almost 25k growth accounts for both of you. So all you got to do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is the email address that you use to log into your Tradeify account. And then we're going to be sending you your free accounts within the next 7 days.
Very nice. That is a total of 9 accounts given away today on Tradeify TV London session. So huge day, huge numbers.
Very, very big.
And on to hopefully new record numbers tomorrow, right? We got to show them.
We do. All right. So your homework, chat. Thanks, Leah. We appreciate you every single day. Your homework, chat, now is, as we said before, you have to spam hashtag London Gang on all the New York stream segments today when either Spud or Rebecca or both of them are on, okay? So whenever you join the stream, Tradeify TV today, in the New York session, you see Spud, spam hashtag London Gang. You see Rebecca, spam hashtag London Gang. Don't do it when Amas is on or Joey, etc.
No.
Just Rebecca and Spud, spam it. Spam it. So with that being said, put a big fat W in the chat if you enjoyed today's stream with the one and only Kane, and of course, the one and only Celine. And then put an L in the chat if you hated it. I hope you didn't. Otherwise, it would be weird that you stayed until the end if you did. And then we will be back at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time for another New York session stream. And then, of course, tomorrow, 7 a.m. London time for the UK session stream. Celine, before we leave here, any last words for the chat?
What would I like to say? How about don't trade with a stop loss and then you don't get cooked like I did today? No, but look, in all seriousness, what have you got to do when you take losses like this? It does hurt. It pains. You saw it. Kane and I both took a very bad stop there because the market ended up moving in our direction. But if times like this are going to happen, and then my next trade, I'm going to let it affect me. I'm going to move my stop loss. I'm going to have more like anxiety around the trade. It's not going to do me well in future trading. So you have to just let this go. As painful as it was, there is no point hanging on to that. It is a loss. It is part of it. I stuck to my plan. Like Nick said, you got to pat yourself on the back. W, discipline. W for playing the setup, playing the rules, and then the next trade will work in your favor. Maybe not. But you've got to allow for these losses. It is part of it. It stings, but you got to move on. Logging for the next session. We have New York around the corner. Make sure you're there in the New York stream. And other than that, I will see you guys early, 7 a.m. UK. You better be there. Love you guys. Peace.
Peace.
Bye.